Alright, maybe this time it's going to work. We shall find out. If it doesn't, well, I don't know what we're going to do today, but if it does, great. Question is, which Samsung blew up? The dry one. Because we're using the wet one right now. What's up, everybody? What's up, Ricardo? Your mom's box. Interesting. Okay. Alright, thanks for letting us all know on that one. Alright, guys. Hopefully the technical difficulties that we were having earlier will not happen again, and that we will be good for the rest of the day, because at this point we're just going to go until the phone dies. So strap in, because we're ready for the ride. AMC bouncing off that level of support that we put down here earlier very nicely. Hopefully we get this bounce into the rest of the day, and we close green. Where's going to be the green mark for today? Previous close 43.96 right here. We got to close above this line if we expect to end green today. If we close below this line right here, that's going to be bad news, because we're going to fall and we're going to go even further to the downside. But right now, and yeah, I don't even see a trend forming at this point, so we're not going to draw one on the graph right now, because if we do, Johan's going to come in and say steeper. Can't make it steeper because there's no trend going on right now. So yes, he's back. I am back. What's up, Nick F? How you doing, man? Goof morning, Clay. Sam Blow. This has been a goofy morning, man, for sure. Good morning. Oh gosh, I ruined it. Now your morning isn't gonna be as good, dude. My morning is always good, right? But technically it's afternoon now, so we're gonna have a good afternoon. And yeah, I don't know what was going on with the stream earlier. It decided to cut out before it got back in. It just completely disconnected the live. So whatever. DSA Sport, they won! The only! Clibro in the house, baby! Woo! What's up, DSA? How you doing, man? Hopefully your morning and where are you from? I don't know. Is it still morning for you, or is it afternoon there now? Morning, Clay. What's up, Mark? Vince, come on, AMC. AMC's gonna have a good day. I can feel it. AMC's gonna have a good day today. Look at this. We've had 2 red days. Nah, we're bouncing. We're bouncing off this line. Oh, no, we had 1 red day. We're bouncing off this line. We're going to end green today. I can feel it. It's going to be a good day overall, guys. It is. Let's put this back on. You guys want 1 minute or 5 minute? Let's keep 5 minute on the chart right now. I like the way that looks a little bit better right now. So, bro. Yes, JW is still green. What's going on, Jay? Glad you're in here hanging out with us, man. That's what I'm talking about, California. Then it is definitely morning for you. Bright and early, 9 a.m., hanging out with us. I like it, dude. I like it. Although don't you normally hang out on the morning stream? So you really wake up early, dude. You really wake up early. Clay says it's a good day. So it's a good day. Yes, Sam Blow. Just like, okay, AMC had a red day, but it was still a good day. What's that Spider-Man meme you posted yesterday? It's a little strange or something, but I'll allow it. Is that what it is? Is that what Doctor Strange says? Now I don't even remember what he says now, but I like that. I gotta look at this. I gotta look what this dude posted yesterday, because I really liked it. I gotta see. Oh man, let's pull this up on Twitter, guys. If you don't follow me, Claybro883 on Twitter. Sam had a pretty good meme. Oh, it feels weird, but I'll allow it. Yeah. Doctor Strange says, feels weird, but I'll allow it. Oh, man, what do we got going on over here? AMC, $42.64 right now. 68 cents, 65 cents, 64 cents, 65 cents, 64 cents. All right, so it's definitely ticking around, down 3% on the day. Slight level of resistance in this area right here. Ooh, I got to tell you guys a story. Man. All right, so I was doing some recon over on TikTok last night, and watching all of the kids that trade on TikTok. Oh man, bless their soul. So you know these kids are like, I don't know, 13 to begin with, that are over there trading on TikTok, and they've got their computers set up, and they're looking at the same thing that for some reason everybody on YouTube looks at. And they really like the cup and handle patterns and the bull flags. I really don't know where all that stuff started, but a cup and handle and a bull flag seems to be like the only pattern that ever exists on a chart these days. But yeah, so they're pointing out all of that, but people were asking about AMC, and I'm like, ooh, I like this. Let's talk about AMC. These kids were like, I'm bearish on AMC. I'm bearish on AMC. AMC, I've been bearish on AMC since 70. Nice to be bearish on a stock since the peak, right? I'm bearish on AMC. It's going to go to... I'm like, dude, what? What? Yeah, if you look at the technicals show that the volume weighted average price is down in the 30s right now, and we need to get back down to the 30s, so I'm currently bearish at the current levels. And this, I'm like, you guys don't even know what's going on. You have no idea what's going on right now. Dude, every single one of them, and I watched like 5 guys, and I was typing in the chat to 5 different people. They have no idea about a short squeeze. They simply think that this is some sort of a pump and dump scheme, that they're bearish on it now because it's above the volume weighted average price. I'm like, you guys are blowing my mind right now. So if somebody's telling you that retail investors are simply buying and holding, and every single retail investor is buying and holding, they're lying to you, because there's a bunch of dumb kids on TikTok who have never heard of a short squeeze before, and they're not behaving. Somebody needs to call their parents. I'm pretty sure it's me. Good morning, everybody. Oh, it's going to be a good morning now that Natalie is here. What's going on, Natalie? Luca says good morning. What's going on, Luca? Every time I think of Luca, I think about a bad mamacita. I'm going to start swing trading AMC. Psych! Dude, Skype, you better be glad that I can read through all of them periods before I take a long pause. You got me worried, dude. You're like these little 13-year-old swing traders on TikTok. Hey, Clay, hi again. What's up, Crypto Rockets here? Good afternoon, Clay, bro. I still hold strong. AMZ to Pluto. Nice, Aria. And Giovanni Piazza hanging out with us this morning. What's going on, Giovanni? TikTok is cringe, but I got an account, though. Skype. Dude, guys, do your work on TikTok, all right? I'm just going to send you all out to TikTok right now and just tell you, like, go in, if you're scrolling through and you see one of these dudes pop up that it has like 10 charts on his screen, just go tell him that AMC is not a pump and dump scheme, and it's not over, because they have no idea what's going on. And I guess I can't blame them because they're like 12, but somebody should let them know what's going on. I told them to come hang out on the channel today. I don't know if they will. You know, oh yeah, I'll come hang out on your channel tomorrow. I'll hang out on YouTube sometimes. I don't know if they will. But if they do, we can have a good old talk with them. Good evening, Clay. Aiden, it is not even evening for you. It is like 4 o'clock in the morning, man. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. That is not evening. That is like middle of the night. Good middle of the night to you, Aiden. Day traders, and then don't flush. Skype, that's correct, man. And this one dude's like... One of the moderators in the chat, I thought he was going to kick me out. And he's like, Clay bro, perma bulls, they only make money in one direction. And I was like, yeah, well, day traders like you lose money in both directions. The moderator got a little mad, but the kid that was on the screen was like, I mean, it is true. Day traders can lose money in both directions. I guess it depends on whether they're right or not on the trade. And I'm like, oh, thank goodness, this dude's not kicking me out of his live right now. I see. They were making me a little mad that they thought AMC was a pump and dump scheme, but my goodness. Congrats on the 30K subs. Nick F, thank you very much. I appreciate that. 30, I wanted to give you guys a shirt for the 30K subs, but I don't know if I can now because you didn't get 30K during a live stream. It had to be on during a video. Come on. Yes, congrats on 30K. Thank you very much, Natalie. I appreciate that. Clay, you can do a zoom. You can do a zoom and draw the current uptrend line so we do not freak out. Yeah, man, but listen, we can get a little uptrend line right here. Is this what you're talking about? Dude, that's a really small uptrend, man, but I'll take it. I'll take it today. I'll take anything we can get today, right? Ooh, look at that, man. When you zoom out over here, look how steep that looks. Looks nice on a 5-minute, don't it? All right, we could do the one. We can do the 1 minute. I can get on with this being a decent trend right here. Where'd you go? What? Where's the end of that line? Okay, I can get on with that. I think you guys can too. Let's just keep it now. I'm checking in with Smash the Like, as always. Aria, thank you very much. Good middle of the night to you and all of the other Clay gang in here. Good middle of the night to you as well, Aiden. My gosh, I swear this dude doesn't sleep. Aiden, what's going on? I am not a ray trader. I'm a night trader. Vince, if you're not trading in the day, you're trading in the night, man. I'd rather have a night trader than a day trader. Zoom out! Zoom out! Okay, we can zoom out, man. Everybody, when in doubt, zoom out, right? Okay, let's do it. Let's zoom out a little bit. There you go. There you go. Nice zoom out for Nick after. Hey, bro, teach those little brats. Am cool, Bacon Sean. Somebody's got to teach these kids. It was all the same thing. I don't know if they all go to, like, TikTok trading school or what, but it was all the same thing over and over. And I was like, I mean, I can understand. They get a decent understanding of day trading. I mean, I can't rip on them too bad, right? They're looking at the technicals. They know what to look for. But they honestly were overlooking the fact that AMC is just it's a different beast at this point. And I felt kind of bad for him because this dude's like, oh, yeah, I'm thinking about shorting AMC. And I'm like, oh, God, don't say that. I even told him, I was like, dude, just be careful saying that because you are going to get ripped. If you say that to the wrong person, you're going to get ripped. But, yeah, they've got this mindset that day trading AMC is the way to go. And they're looking at they're looking at technicals like it's the holy grail. And they're going to get burnt, man. Especially if they short, oh my God, if they short AMC and then it squeezes, or we have a sick run-up, like, they're going to lose all their money. I mean, I don't know how much it is, but, like, don't lose all your money. That's just bad news. Once the current uptrend started, no, the month trend line. Zoom out to a weekly or monthly. What? Dude, in the loop, I can't put, you want me to put a monthly trend line on the Weeble chart right now? Like, dude. That's not even going to get touched if we go out to a weekly. There's no way that's going to get touched right now. Even on a daily, that's not going to get that. Like an uptrend right here wouldn't get touched. Why? How did I lose my? How did I lose our $48 mark? 48's too important not to have on this screen. Let's make it. What color do we not use? We never really use. Oh, peach. Let's go peach on the 48. We'll keep that on there. Yeah, peach on the 48. It's way up there. We're not going to see it for a while on the daily. It's not a fundamental value. Yeah, exactly. Your mom's not trading a fundamental value TikTok kid who started trash talking Clay. No, man, they were nice, though. They were nice. I got to admit, those kids were nice that were doing all the day trading on there, looking over the technicals at night when nothing was trading, but whatever. They were still really nice kids. They knew some of the technicals to look for, but they're I don't know, they're probably going to get burnt on AMC. Oil tipped! Oil tipped is a man you do not want roaming TikTok day traders. I'll tell you that right now. Thank you very much for the congrats on 30K. Oil tip, man. I was just telling a story. I don't know if you heard it. I was scrolling through TikTok last night looking at all the kids that are trading stocks. And there was always one dude in there who's like, well, what do you think about AMC? Every single one of them, man, thought that AMC is a pump and dump scheme. And the overwhelming majority of those kids were like, oh, yeah, I think that we should be bearish on AMC right now because it's overvalued and it's trading above the volume-weighted average price, so it's most likely going to come down in the near term. And I'm like, dude, you say that in front of the wrong person, you're going to get in some trouble, man. And I was thinking about you, Oil Tipped. I was thinking about you. So if you want to keep your sanity, dude, stay away from TikTok lives for day traders. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Rocket says, congrats on 30K. Please send nodes to Claybro883 on Twitter to properly congratulate him. Guys, I can't condone sending nodes anywhere, but I can, however, say that I will read all of my DMs that come across today. So thank you for the congratulations. And yes, Twitter right here This is gonna be since the first stream cut out today. We're just gonna go till the phone dies, and then I'll be able to do the video tonight. But yes, guys, thank you very much, Rocket. We made, and you know what? My YouTube Studio is lagging for some reason. I woke up this morning, and YouTube Studio said that I gained 0 subscribers on that video last night, and I'm like, dang, man. Like, was it that bad that I gained 0 subscribers on that video? And then I came out on here, and I was scrolling through, I had a problem, and looked at my actual YouTube page afterwards, and I'm like, oh, 30K. Nice. We made it, guys. We made it. Sending nodes now. Bulldog Trading is sending nodes now. That's what's up, Bulldog Trading. Thank you very much. I love pictures of dogs. Okay, so if you want to send those too, make sure to send those too. My cousin is 16 and texted me saying AMC kept going down, and I was dumb. So I got more when he said that at $29.91 at that time. Age like fine wine now. This kid's asking me if he should buy. Come on, kid. Come on. Sam Blow. Making some sick money, aren't you? Oh, yeah. Sorry, kid. It's all right. It's too late for you. No, tell him he can still buy. Tell him he can still buy. Just popping in to say hi to Nick. Hey. Lauren. How are you doing? Saying hi to Nick F before she says hi to me. As always. Come on, Lauren. Come on. Hopefully you're having a good day today, Lauren. Hello, Lauren. Yes, Wingman verified. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Rocket. Thank you. Verification. Congratulations on 30K, bro. SD. Thank you very much. Anyone here heard Nick Fuentes of America First? No. I've not. But hey, is that Nick F? Like Nick Fuentes? Sam Blow thinks it's Nick Fury, so it might be. Hello, everyone. Hello. Oh man, Lauren. Hello. Almost cried when I didn't see the live happening. Robert, I got it going on earlier and then it disconnected me. So I'm like, had to get things reset up and everything. So we're back on here right now. You're at 30K now. It's time to upgrade that equipment, bro. Ocean. This is the highest quality equipment you can ever have. I left him on red, if we're being honest. Good deal. Thank you, Sam. Good deal. Leave that kid on red, man. It's all right. He'll know. He'll get the picture. Have you seen Trey's video where he references some sites saying 50% of the volume was short volume? Then he directly related that to the day we had 225 million volume, but still went up. JB, I do not recall watching that. Did he do it last night? Because I think the last 2 videos of Trey's that I watched were from like 2 or 3 days ago, when he was saying like he was dead on with all the technicals, and well, then I watched the interview on Fox too. But if he posted that last night, I did not see it. I saw the thumbnail this morning of like I don't know, what's ahead or something like that. AMC what's ahead. I think it was on the thumbnail. Phone for a camera. Absolutely oil tipped. Best camera available. Honestly, when the live wasn't going, I just figured that Nickelback showed up and you were helping them get nice and cozy. Yeah, man, that's what happened. That's what happened. They're currently in my basement right now, working out to some Nickelback. If you believe that. Highest quality available. 2-year-old phone, 10-year-old laptop, sitting on a 15-year-old game console. Dude, is PS3 15 years old? That is high quality, dude. It's high quality. You better believe it. The government took $500,000 away from Nick Fuentes for attending a protest, political tyranny, financial tyranny at the same time. Dang, man, he got double whammy. Kyle, man, aloha. Kakahiaka, everybody. Thank you very much. Aloha Koka. Aloha Kaka. Aloha Koka was what's up. Aloha Kakahiaka. Kakahiaka. Yes, I got it. Aloha Kakahiaka. Kyle, good morning to you. Mahalo hao, brother. Everybody, let's go $50. Let's do it, Kyle. Man, look at this line, dude. Skype, was that you? No. Who was that told me to put the trend line on there so we could bounce off of it? Thank you very much for that. I think this is because Kyle came in here. Kyle came in right about this time. We bounced off the trend line. Now we're ripping on up. We're going to watch this. No. Don't. Bad candle. Bad candle. Get out of this little range of resistance here and move on up. This guy said Nickelback. Yeah, Nickelback. Come on, Robert. You don't listen to Nickelback while you're working out, dude? What is the market correction going to happen? In the loop. You were the one that said put the line on there, right? In the loop, man. Everybody always is... market correction, as soon as like the market starts hitting brand new highs and continues to hit higher highs, everybody thinks the market correction is going to happen like tomorrow because the market can't sustain these highs. The RSI can't stay in overbought territory. It's got to cool off. The MACD needs to cool off. All the indicators, stochastics, needs to cool off. Everybody thinks that everything needs to cool off, but shoot, man, we're running hot. We can keep this going forever. Let's do it. Let's rip. Candle, listen. That's what I'm talking about. You guys think that you're crazy for talking to a line? Absolutely not. You say, all right, buddy. All right, go on. Go on now. There you go. Yeah. Look, this is green on the day. We're going to rip it. We're going to rip it. I know we will. God bless you, brother. At Sam. God bless you, Kyle. Yeah, God bless everybody. That's what I'm talking about. Good deal, SGOC. What? Have a wonderful day, everybody. Kyle, you too, man. Listen, if you got to get back to work and you can come check out the stream a little bit later, I think we're just going to stream on through until the phone dies. So keep that in mind if you want to jump back in later. And thank you very much for the super chat. Mahalo, how, brother. And good afternoon. You're going to have to teach me good afternoon when you come back a little bit later. Yesterday's run was due to the options chain 100%. Yesterday's run, like when we bounced off the lower level and ran up and then fell back down, or what part of yesterday's run? Never made it as a wise man. Ha, Clay. Couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. Nickelback is the man, guys. If you don't know about Nickelback, get on the Nickelback train, all right? Never made it as a... Yes, guys, you're good. You're good. Just for Nick Fuentes, yes. Rocket, yesterday's run, yes. Think of AMC like my ex-girlfriend who is addicted to... Oh my God. Sam, interesting. Being super high is just weirdly sustainable for longer than you would imagine. Yeah, it is. It is. I don't know if you should think about the AMC like that, but it's weirdly sustainable for longer than you guys would think. Nah, Oil Tip, love it. Oil Tip's just afraid to admit it. I'm not afraid to admit it, though. Everybody in here, I know you guys like Nickelback. I know you do. Clay, why does your phone always die? Can't you buy a decent wireless phone charger? Yeah, Joan de Jesus, I've got one, man. But, like, the setup on the... I can't do it while I'm streaming because, like, the way the ring light holds the phone, I would literally have to tape the wireless charger to the phone in order for it to... charge the phone while it's streaming. Sam Blow, you okay? Yeah, Sam Blow. Yesterday was hardly even a walk, my dude. Okay, Nickelback is still a band. Nah, dude, Nickelback's gonna be a band for all of eternity, man. When the first stream cut out, I tried to fill the void by watching your first video. Current Clay is a certified bad boy by comparison. Thank you, Brett. Thank you. And I don't know why you guys go back and watch the first video. It's probably like super bad news. Like, don't do that. But just watch a more recent video. It's going to be better. Okay? Heroes get remembered. Legends never die. Nickelback will always be a thing. Dude, Nickelback is always going to be... I will make sure that Nickelback is always a thing. You guys can be rest assured that I will make sure Nickelback never dies. Nickelback is old school. Young people know nothing about it. Well, my kids do. Good deal, Loop. Good deal. These youngsters, they need to know about Nickelback. Clay, could you pretty please explain naked shorts? If a legal short is bought back, it is returned to the owner. But when a share is purchased for a naked short, who is it given to? Good question, Ross. So a naked short is essentially the exact same thing, right? Think about it. In a regular short scenario, let's say you're the hedge fund, you're shorting AMC. Let's say Nick F wants to loan his share out. I want to buy AMC. You think AMC is going down. I think it's going up. You borrow a share off Nick, and you sell it to me. Okay? I pay you the money. You deliver me the share. Perfect, right? Now, you still owe Nick F that share. Okay? You have to go back and repurchase that at some point to fulfill your obligation with Nick F. Now, let's talk about a naked short. Nick F is not willing to lend you out the share, but you still know that I want to buy AMC and you want to sell me AMC. So what happens? I say, okay, well, here's the money. I'm going to give you $42.90 for it. You sell me AMC, but you don't go borrow it from anywhere. You never deliver AMC to me, okay? So I'm sitting there with AMC in my account, but on the back end, the transaction's never completed. Okay, it gets hit with the failed to deliver. Now, you have to clear up that failed to deliver. Same way you would have that obligation with Nick F. Now you've got an obligation to rectify that failed to deliver and make sure that it does get delivered. So it's just, the only difference is you didn't go out to see if that share was available to borrow in the first place. So now your obligation isn't to somebody who lent you the share. Your obligation is to fulfill that original transaction and clear up that failed to deliver. That's who you would be going out and buying that share to cover for. Now, dude, failed to delivers, they're not supposed to last as long as people think that they last right now. Failed to delivers typically get filled within 4 days of the transaction taking place. I know that song a little too well, a little too uncomfortably well. Rock it, as you should, man, if we're still talking about a Nickelback. I don't know. Photographed by Nickelback was my high school graduation song. Joan de Jesus. I'm almost positive they played that during ours, too. I'm going to go wash my hands or something now, feeling dirty. Rock it, don't feel dirty about anything. Claire, always love your lives. Can't wait for them. Love the energy. AMC to the moon. Thank you very much. The only thing I like involving Nickelback is the song Hero, the lead singer did for the first Spider-Man movie. Well, you know what? If that's the only thing you like, good deal, okay? You're still allowed to like Nickelback. It's all right, guys. Good morning, Brother Clay, and to all the bros. Love you all, and Clay, thanks for walking us through this. Abe Duhan, thank you for walking through it with me. There's literally still people out there. Oh, that's the thing I was talking about first. Oil tipped, man. If you're on TikTok Live, be nice to these kids because they're like 12, but there's a lot of people day trading and very bearish on AMC on TikTok Live, like those traders. Dude, if you're ever feeling a little frisky at night and you want to go handle this 12-year-olds, if you're ever feeling like you need to do something for AMC at night and you want to talk to the young traders on TikTok, you might want to do that because they have a very bad opinion about AMC. Steve Danger first. What's up, Steve Danger? Glad you're in here. Rascal Flats. Okay, Rascal Flats always good. Thanks, Clay. Ortex will tell us the shares on loan during the mother of all short squeezes. Ronnie. I'm glad somebody was laughing at that. Ortex will tell us the shares on loan. Okay, E-Bomb, thank you. You guys are good. But it's loan during the mother of all short squeezes. But how will we ever know how many nakeds there are? This could affect the price of 10,000 a share. Ross, yeah, good question, man. The failed to delivers. I don't think that there are naked shares in excess of the failed to delivers number that are reported to the SEC. So the SEC's got that number, man, and you can type in on Google right now SEC FTDs or SEC failed to delivers, and you're going to get a list of the most recent failed to delivers, including every stock that trades, but you can sort it out by AMC as well. Clay, which do you like more, Puddle of Mud or System of a Down? Oh man, I don't even know if I would really be able to form an opinion on which one I like more. I hope every single one of those kids who said bad things about AMC takes a razor scooter to the ankle. Dude, I don't think those kids even know. They'd probably fall off a razor scooter the first time they got on one, man. The ones I was watching last night, they certainly would. To knock him out right. OT! Yeah, that's why you had to wind it back a little bit. I worry about oil tipped a little bit sometimes, so I had to make it a little bit more literal with what I was saying there. Oh, gosh. Levitz, rewind. What did Levitz say? What should we do to young traders at night? I missed that. Yeah, you just rewind. I don't know what I was saying. I don't know what I was saying. Oh, man. Dude. Oh, I just take a drink, Clay. Just take a drink. Calm down for a second. These guys are going to get you all flustered. The guy from Rascal Flats looks like the lead singer from Smash Mouth, and the androgynous middle school gym teacher had a baby with severe vocal trauma. What? Kids do the milk crate challenge. Yeah, and then the kids doing the milk crate challenge right now are the same ones telling you to sell AMC. I'm just playing. You the man, Clay. Mr. Levitz. I know. You guys know I was messing around with that, right? Clay, you made another Spider-Man meme. Love you. Clay made you another Did you tag me in it? Sam, if you tagged me in it, man, I'm going to have to go look at it right now. 38, calls of $400. I hold till tomorrow. It was up 1,000 yesterday, but didn't get out, unfortunately. Mark, man, if you're looking and wondering when to get out, tomorrow you're going to lose a lot of money. Well, I don't know when they expire, right? If they expire If they expire tomorrow, you're gonna have to see a decent run up to offset your loss because of the time. So that's up to you, man. 400, lot decent profit on that. We could see if we continue to bounce higher, man. If we continue to bounce higher throughout the day and we stay above this trend line and we go green again, you might be printing some more money. But all things to consider, man. Real Talk Puddle of Mud was my first concert at 15. Was also my first successful "Hey Mister" at getting beer. Well, there you go, Rocket. I wouldn't suggest doing that, but there you go. Good memories. Stop buying options, you apes. Buy shares. Mo money. Yeah. Buy shares if you want to help the squeeze. Buy options if you need to take advantage of the volatility. I don't know who in here is like a trader by profession and you have to make money in the market daily because that's your job. But I would rather see you do that on options than do that on shares. But, you know, buying options doesn't really help the squeeze unless you exercise those options and take those shares afterwards. Struggling today. D-Rich, it's okay. We're going to be doing fine, man. We're going to break back above that green line, and we're going to be in the green for the day. AMC to the moon. I've seen the similarities between this week and 1st June. Yes. Who is it that... Oh, man, now I forget who it was that keeps pointing out that this is almost the exact identical pattern to what we had at the end of May, beginning of June. Shh. Chalk to these bad candles. Pringleton! Alright, now listen, man. We drew this purple line for a reason. We just need to see you bounce off of it right now. No more red. We need another green run like we had before. So, just behave. Bounce off this little line here, and we need to retest this $44 mark. Come on. It's okay. You can do it. How long are you going to run this stream? Someone please write because I don't have volume right now. Until the phone goes out, Crypto. I don't know, man. We're going to go as long as we can. It's probably going to be, I would assume, till like 3-ish. I would assume it's going to be till 3-ish, but I don't know. Steeper line needed, obviously. Pringleton, I know, but they need to follow the low line first. Keep your eyes out for Sandor Clean. What? For Sandor Clegane? What? I think he's Trumpet Jokai. I feel like I'm playing a who's who game with myself. Riveting. All right, we're gonna keep an eye out for Sandor. It could be Sandor. That name does sound familiar. Like, I don't know, Juan Sandor. Sandor in here. Are you the trumpet guy? We need to know. I sold most of my shares to buy options, and now I'm up over 70,000 in profit. Thinking of selling in the next week or so to buy more shares. Started with 1,500 shares, and I'll probably end with 2,000. Nice, Sean. Nice, man. Oh, gosh. I love stories like that, guys. I love stories like that. Very good deal, Sean. That's awesome. Crypto Racketeer, he read the question. Until the phone goes out was the answer. Thank you, Brett, for transcribing. We need somebody to transcribe everything that I say on this live. Somebody get started right now. Stibby Line, Pringleton, I know. Clay, what caused the May mini squeeze to halt and not become the mother of all short squeezes? Good question, Ross. One, I don't think that they closed out enough shares during that time, but also, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. A lot of people out there are I don't know if you're immature or like semi-stupid, but there was way too much resistance at $69. It's like we're self-destructive, you know? You got to go out and you got to put a price, you got to put a take profit on at $69 just to be funny. And yeah, dude, that resistance right there at $69, because there was no resistance on the chart once we hit that. There was no resistance. You guys made it at 69. So a lot of resistance at $69, dude, and then we started to fall from there. And of course, once we started to fall, everybody started to panic, and we started to come back down. Destroy the darkness. What's up, man? Immature or stupid? How dare you, Clay? I'm both. Dude, anybody that's putting a take profit on it at 69 just to giggle about it later, like, come on, dude, put it at 690 or something. Or like 420, 69, like you guys talk about. Like $69, come on. Selling 420,000. See, Sam, like, do it a little bit higher than $42 or, you know, $4 and $42.20 or whatever. You just be real about it. At least you're putting it at 420,000. I think he thinks taking profit at 69 would be really funny. Brett, no, you're transcribing it wrong, man. You're transcribing it wrong. He says, don't resist the 69. 69 isn't resistance. It's transcribing it wrong. Oh, no. Crypto Rocketeer, don't read what Brett has to say. Got it at $40, 917 calls at the perfect time. Got lucky, but I'm going to make the most of it. Very nice, Sean. Very nice. Dude, you got into those $40 calls on September 17th. Now, here's the question, man. Here's the question, because $40, you still got plenty of time on those calls, man. If there's September 17th calls, you still got plenty of time. So, what are you thinking? Are you looking at, if we pull out to a daily chart, are you watching support here? Because, dude, $40 is a level of support that I know you certainly don't want to fall back down through. But are you going to let it test to the downside any further, or are you going to be pretty conservative and look at locking in if we have a red day today or what? 96, but okay, yeah, there you go, Shane. There you go. That's the exact opposite. Joke's on him. 60, yes, joke's on me, guys. Joke's on me. That's why we didn't squeeze the first time. Come on, man. Congrats, bro. Absolutely, dude. Congrats on grabbing those $40 calls. I know that Oil Tips killed it on calls really like the day of that we ran up 30%. Dude, killed it on those. That was very nice. Whatever anyone's price target is, just add 0.69 so we don't have the psychological price resistance. Yeah, just do that. Don't let us get stuck at $69 anymore. $801,000.69. Moolah, I don't know if we're gonna make it to $801,000 per share, man. But if we do, I would be very happy for you. I don't know if I can hold out that long. You think it dips below 40 in the support line? Dude, only time's gonna tell. Destroy the darkness if we dip below 40. If we do, man, we're gonna be fighting the 30s again for sure. But if we dip below 40, I think we're gonna test 40. If we continue to fall, I think this level right in here is gonna provide some support for us. So as far as falling below that, man, if we do, we get a lot of support at $37, $38, which is nice. But there's more support at 38 than there is at 40. Kelby, thank you very much for the super chat. Kelby says, having a rough day today, still best friend. Kelby, rough days come, smooth days come, everything in between comes as well. And yes, still best friends. So hopefully that makes the day slightly better for you. I don't know if it does or not, but yeah, it's going to be okay. We're going to make it through today, and we're going to go, and we're going to have an even better day tomorrow. I'm going to wait and see what happens within the next week. Don't mind playing this more aggressive. I think we could see another retest at 48, and I do too. I do too. So with that, though, dude, if we break through 48, you're going to be running real nice on those options, man. You're going to be running real nice if we break this 48 line, because I think you're running all the way up to 55. If we break 48, I think you're running a 55 on those options. But, yeah, dude, this is the point. This is the place in here that you got to worry about. And it kind of sucks that it's, I don't know, it's really, we're closer to the bottom end of that range than we are at the top of it right now. Woo! Let's go get that, what? Let's get to that peach. Let's get to that peach. This chart is breaking my heart. Am cool bacon, Sean. It is not breaking your heart. You're okay. Oh no, we got to go back down here with that. Okay. I don't know why these scenes mess up all the time. 46 is your break even, right? Am cool bacon, Sean. We'll get there. We'll get there. Then your heart will be mended once more. 55, Mad Medic says, let's go. GME's pushing up right now. Is it? Do I still have, I still got the double chart on here with GME and AMC? I don't know if I do or not. Let's find out. I do. GME is pushing up. All right, GameStop. AMC's pushing up too. Good deal. We got two runners today. All right. GameStop, $214. Oh, you guys can't even. You guys can't even see You guys can't see GameStop behind me. I was covering up. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go back to the main screen and pull AMC back up on here. That looks a little bit better. All right, we're gonna watch it. Look at that big old green candle. I'm dying. Don't die. Look at the graph. Every time I do it, makes me laugh. See, Oil Tipped knows what's up, man. He's got Nickelback in his heart. It's good, bro. I just checked the FTDs, and it's been at all-time high. Yeah, so I don't know if FTDs. Listen, man, FTDs on AMC. I don't know what the most recent number was, but it's not that bad. The most recent number was like 64,000 or 69,000, I think. It's not that high. Those FTDs numbers, those are aggregate numbers, so those aren't daily numbers when you look at them. Those are like a running total. So if you see the one day is 69,000 and the next day is 1,000,000, then that doesn't mean that it's 1,069,000. That means that whatever that last number is you see is how many are currently outstanding, or were outstanding at the time, I should say. Big Clay, small chart. I'm here for Clay. AMC is just a nice addition. Big Clay, small. Oh my gosh, we're running. I love it. Then we're over $4,000. One trick hedge funds don't want you to see. What? Then we're over $4,000. One trick hedge funds don't want you to see. I swear I missed something. Woohoo! Glad cancel my Ortex trial. I'm sorry. No, JB. I think Nick might still have Ortex data. Nick, are you out there with the Ortex data? We're following Tuesday's trend. Oh, I like it, Kyle. I like it. I want to see this bad boy run up. And oh, man, let's go 50 today. Let's do it. How about calls for AMC when it dipped at 41.89? So you have more calls, oil tipped. Is that what you're saying? You've got more calls on AMC? Not the ones that you profited the other day, right? You got back in? Dude, you got back in, what, today? You got back in for tomorrow's expiration or what? Cool Bacontron with the... I don't know how to do this one. Maybe like a unicorn? Is that like a... Woohoo! Unicorn. Thank you, Cool Bacontron, for the super sticker. This is Unicorn Clay reporting to you live surrounding AMC. Things are looking very good right now. Cool Bacontron, thank you. That was my unicorn impression. I don't know. I've never had that one before. Thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate it. I book calls daily. Yes, nice oil tipped. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Rocket says, this runs every time we mention Nickelback. So you know what you need to do? Continue to mention Nickelback. It's a bronicorn. Adrian, it's a bronicorn. Gallop, Clay. Lauren, I cannot. Sadly, I cannot gallop. I am in my chair right now. And I'm sorry. I just can't do it, bruh. Dude, you send me a unicorn. What am I supposed to do with that? Like, I don't know what else to do with a unicorn super sticker other than give myself a horn and pretend I'm a unicorn. And I just love the fact that Lawrence comes in with a gallop, Clay. I like it. I like it. Clay, I need to swallow my pride and ask that you blast Nickelback for the rest of the stream. We can deal with YouTube's copyright stuff later. Dude, YouTube tried to copyright me over the that stupid elevator music during the earnings call on, well, the AMC earnings call. When was that? Like last month or whatever. So I guarantee they would hit me for Nickelback in like a matter of seconds. But we should do it, right? We should. Everybody should just put their headphones in and we should listen to Nickelback. 31% gain on puts. Oh my god. Oil tipped is just destroying it in options, man. Destroying it. Unicorns get brown stains in the front part, and what? I needed to be entertained. Cool Bacontron. Hopefully it worked because I had to think of that one on the fly. Can we talk about how much we are learning and growing? Yes, we could talk about how much we are learning and growing. Also, shout out to M. James for being up 4K on the week in options plays. M. James, are you even in here? M. James doesn't hang out with me as much anymore, man. I don't know why. Clay, go upstairs right now and ask Nickelback if it's okay to play his music on stream. He's downstairs. He's working out right now, man. He's listening to Nickelback in the basement, and he said don't bother him while he's working out. So I'll just make sure if I hear him, like if I hear a pause come on down there, I'll try to run down and ask him really quick. But he said don't bother him while he's working out. I'm like, all right. Nickelback, I just cringed. You're better off bashing your skull against. No! Nickelback is the dude. Antics. Nickelback is where it's at, man. Clay remembers 2 months ago I was DMing him trying to understand options, and now Oil Tipped is just making a killing on options. I love it, man. I love it. And here we are. Oh, Lauren, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Lauren. I appreciate that. I appreciate that so much, Lauren. I thought you liked the peach, but apparently you're more of a unicorn girl, huh? Apparently you're more of a unicorn girl. All right, Lauren. Let's. Why is this not? Why is it not going up? Okay, horn, horn, horn. Good enough. Good enough. And she says gallop. Thank you very much. I promise this. Okay, the stream is over. Phone is dying. We are at 1% battery on the phone. It's time to say goodbye. If you want to shout out, let's get your name in the chat right now because it's time to go. I have done enough for today, and until the next time, I guess we're just gonna have to. If you want to say it with me, I guess say it with me because it. Oh God. Oh man. Dude, I feel like you guys are just standing around like, dance, monkey, dance. And, okay, I understand. If you're sending super chats, the monkey dances. But I feel like that little monkey, like everybody's around him, and they're like, dance, monkey, dance. Gallop, you little unicorn, gallop. Don't do that again, bro. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, it's weird. You know, it's weird. Like, I don't want to do that. But at the same time, I feel like, why not do that? Lava lamp for sale. The lava lamp is not for sale. No. Okay, that made me laugh. Am cool, Bacon Sean. Good deal. I'm glad you're laughing. I am not. You're laughing at me. I know you are because I don't really feel like I'm laughing right now. Del Toro says, see you later. He's out. Del Toro, man, come back a little bit later. Oh, God. Sorry. Lauren, you are not sorry. You know you are not sorry about that. Oh, man. I'm at the gym and someone saw the screen when you were galloping. SLMM, I don't know if you're joking or not, but all you gotta do is say subscribe to Claybro. All you gotta do is say subscribe to Claybro. I don't know if Joan de Jesus likes a gallop or not, but yeah, we've got the unicorn horn. Isn't there a rhino? Like, can't you guys just come up with a rhino or something instead of a unicorn? But yeah, sorry you're late to the show, dude. Good, just be glad that you're late to the show today. It's interesting. Oh God. Oh jeez, I hope this doesn't make it to Reddit. Thank you guys very much. Joan de Jesus for the unicorn. I appreciate that. Natalie with the super chat. Natalie says, Rocket. Hey, I lent you $5 for food yesterday. It cost $4.95. I want my nickel back. Yes. And because of Natalie's nickelback joke, guess what's going to happen for AMC? It's going to bounce off this line, and we're going to get a nice little green rocket on the chart right now. It's going to be perfect. I'm laughing so hard right now. Lauren, I hope you're laughing with me and not at me. All right, it's red. It is not red. It's going to be green, Patrick. It's going to be good. Nickelback. Yes, Nickelback. Rocket, she wants her Nickelback, man. She wants Nickelback. Oh my gosh, I'm late. I don't even want to know. Mr. R, that's the kind of stuff you risk running into on this channel. If you're late, you just don't. It's better off if you don't ask. Grandpa Barney, think of the super chat, Grandpa Barney. Grandpa B needs my boy and 8 family to pray today. My granddaughter being born today. Oh my gosh, perfect, dude. High risk, and we are moving into our brand new. Something I built for Grandma. House I built for Grandma. A little overwhelmed. Love you, Clay. Grandpa Barney, that is what I'm talking about, man. Absolutely. Prayers out for you guys. The granddaughter is going to be absolutely beautiful. Shout out to, I don't know, whoever's having the granddaughter. Push strong. Push strong. You got this. Hopefully, we're in the labor and delivery room with you because I don't remember Kristen being back yesterday and giving birth. I don't know how that went. Sherry, was that you? Sherry B and Kristen. Let me know how the kid went yesterday. Grandpa B, thank you very much. I appreciate the super chat. And absolutely, man, let us know how everything goes today. It's going to be a wonderful day for you guys. That's absolutely amazing. And Adrian says, one more time, because I can't get enough of the horn. I almost said Clay. Can't say that stuff on YouTube, man. They're going to be like, what is this stream about? Yeah, dude, thank you. Thank you. We got the horn here. Yep. And Adrian says, one more time, Clay. Oh, God. You guys, if you ever sit out there and try to wonder, like, oh, why is nobody trying to do collaborations with Clay, bro? Why don't they want him on his show? That's why. Okay, that's why. Because I'm sitting here imitating a unicorn, and they don't need that kind of stuff on their stream. So there you go. Don't gallop. Shruti says, don't gallop. Oh, man, much live, too little Claytina, something. Claybro, did you deliver yesterday? I don't know. Kristen and Sherry, are you in here? We need to know, because we didn't get that in the afternoon. Now I feel bad. No one is trying to collab. Excuse me? Oil Tipped is like, I'll let you on my stream anytime you want, little unicorn boy. Oh, man, Clay Rainbow. That's a Clay bro. A rain bro. It's a Clay rain bro. It's okay, we love you. Kevin, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. At least somebody does, right? Oh, my goodness. People are like, this is getting crazy. Oh, it's a Clay rain bro. Absolutely, Adrian, the Clay rain bro in the house right now. Oh my gosh. All right, so we got this purple line right here, and we got a couple green lines on the chart. We got a green line bouncing off of the purple line. Hopefully we get a green line that goes through the green line at the top of the screen. That's technical analysis 101 for everybody out there who didn't understand. On my stream, excuse me. Now I don't even know, man. Now I don't even know. On my stream, excuse me. On my stream, excuse me. I don't even know. Excuse me, dude. All you want to do, all you gotta do, man, is just act like a unicorn, and then everything will be all right. I think that Kelby said it was a rough day today. Hey, man, unicorns make the day make the day better. Heading to a meeting, only 92 likes. Come on, get over 100 likes for JB. You guys know that by now. The AMC Vigilante is hosting Jackson Hunter this Sunday. Nice, man. Is this true? I just tweeted you and Lauren. I gotta see this, man. I gotta see this, Sam. For Close Green today, Clay has agreed to dye his hair rainbow colors and do the stream in character as a unicorn tomorrow. Green? No. Possibly, 50? Might be able to work something out. How is this possible, man? How is this even possible? How do you come up with stuff this fast? Lauren, I don't know if you saw this tweet, but this is Sam Blow hooking us up. That's Lauren. Oh, come on, do something. And then I'm down there. Oh my gosh. That is an absolute classic, Sam. Absolute classic. Lauren, I could not have depicted you any better myself. I could not have depicted you any better myself, Lauren. Oh my god. Oh, wow. That is perfect. Yeah, guys, you better go follow Sam Blow on Twitter. That is just classic, man. Oh, wow. I've liked it already. Yeah, me too. You got to click the like button on that one. That's beautiful. Oh, Sam Blow's got another one. Claybro throwing up good vibes during the red day. Claybro's chat, taking in the good vibes, loving life, patiently waiting for the squeeze. This dude is just a classic, man. If you need some memes on Twitter, make sure to go follow Sam, okay? I gotta like all these tweets. You guys can follow me, Claybro883 on Twitter, but make sure you follow Sam too, because this dude is just full of them. This is beautiful. Oh, man. What will it take to hit 65? It's going to take a break through 55. Then we got a big line of resistance at $55 to $60 per share. So it's not going to be super easy to get to 65, but we'll get it. I'm sending... okay, he's sending nuts if somebody hits 50 today. There you go. That's even better than a rainbow broadcast tomorrow. That is hilarious. I'm sending nuds if we don't buy up, people. There you go, Brett. Yes. Yes. So that's a better ultimatum. I think if we just buy AMC so that we can not watch Brett fill our inboxes. Oh boy, I'm putting my pants on. There you go, Mr. Levitz. That's also a good thing to do. Let's go to $50 per share today. It seems like a lot of people really need $50 per share. Become a bro. And of course, to the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Del Toro has watched a video before. I love it, man. I love it, Del Toro. All the way down in Miami, hooking us up, right? That's good. Become a bro. Join the channel. Become a bro. Why not? We're here every single day. And we're growing our portfolios together. Back in on AMC call. Dude, I thought you were already back in. Did you just get out again? Oil tip. Did you get out again? Michael Scott. Thank you for the super chat. Michael Scott says, is GME worth adding to my position still? What about any others in the meme basket? Repetition works. Keep us motivated. Like always. Hold. Listen, man. I think that GameStop and AMC are very much step bro and step sis. If you think AMC is going to rise, GME is likely going to rise as well. If you think GME is likely to rise, AMC is very likely to rise as well. If you want to add some GameStop to your portfolio for, it's not even a huge diversification by adding GameStop and AMC to your portfolio because they move very similarly. So it's not even that much a diversification. But if you want to take advantage of one potentially squeezing higher than the other, and you want to be involved with both of them just to kind of capture gains on both, I think that's more of the play there. And as far as other meme stocks, listen, I think that everything that can be classified as a meme stock is going to run not in lockstep with AMC and GME. I think they're going to be the front runners and the leaders. There's a lot of other stocks out there too that will also increase when AMC and GameStop go to squeeze, and just because people are not going to want to miss out on the opportunity, they're going to say, oh, AMC and GameStop are done, let's try to jump in this, it's going to rise too, and then that influx of buyers is going to cause a lot of other stocks to rise. Mark, thank you for the super chat. Mark says, just bought more AMC shares, holding till I see 1 mil plus on my portfolio. Mark, man, I hope you get $1 million. I hope you get $1 million plus on your portfolio. I certainly do. I do not want to see you waste $1 million after the squeeze, so I hope that you, use it responsibly. But man, I sure hope to see $1 million. I hope everybody in here, all 129 of us, have $1 million in our portfolio post squeeze. My call going in the gutter. Doubt it, Anthony. It's all right, man. You get some calls. What now? Back in on the dip, 42.80. Oh my God, Oil Tip is just killing it. Oil Tip is getting in and out of these calls all day long. He's a day trader at heart, man. AMC is Gohan and GME is Goku. Duh. There you go, man. There you go. GME being Goku. Gohan was originally intended to be one of the strongest in the DBZ universe, but they just ended up going with Goku instead of Gohan. I pressed the like button and went to 100. Nice, Bobby. Thank you very much. Only $1 million? You trying to rip me off? No, at least $1 million. Oil tipped. At least. I'm not trying to rip you off, dude. I hope everybody has at least $1 million in their portfolio. 23 years on my job. You're helping me realize a great retirement. Monkey C. That is. Listen, man. Whether you guys are retirement age or you're 15 years old making day trading videos on TikTok, I hope that everybody is as successful as possible from this short squeeze, and that we all realize as much money. And I've done several videos recently on what life-changing money means, and you guys know. I feel like there's a lot of intelligent people in here that know a Lamborghini's not going to change your life if you've already got a car. But man, being able to generate some income so that you never have to work again, or if your portfolio is not that big, being able to generate enough income to supplement your current income so that if you currently don't like your job, you've got that fallback to where you can finally do something that you enjoy doing, even if it means making a little bit less money than you currently make. Life-changing money is the goal from AMC stock. Retirement age is just a number. Brett, yes, retirement age is just a number, and I hope we all reach that number. Everyone gets 1 mil, Clay. So you're saying after the squeeze, our dad can finally afford that milk and come home. Sam, that is the life-changing money that I am talking about right there, man. Your dad can finally afford that gallon of milk that's extremely overpriced, and he can finally come home. But, dude, If your dad finally comes home when he realizes that you made $1 million on AMC stock, you might want to be slightly skeptical. I don't know how good of a dad that is if he's coming home after he realizes you made $1 million. GMC Sierra AT4 Black Widow. Oil tipped is not buying a Lambo. He is buying a GMC Sierra. Very good, man. 1 million pre-squeeze. Killing it, Greg. I like it, man. Setting a sell limit at 425,000. Jarrett, nice, dude. It's not gonna be easy, but nice. I would not waste my money on a Lambo just because I can. Adrian, there you go. Thanks for the clay, bro. Need only a boat. Feversvold. Go grab that boat, man. A lot of people are saying when pontoon, soon pontoon. Life-changing money is subjective. I would think if a person got a Lambo, they made enough money to buy one on top of plenty in the bank. You'd be surprised, Lex Luthor. There's probably some 19-year-old kids out there that would love to have a Lambo and park it in their driveway because their parents currently park in the garage. So there's a lot of kids out there that would do some crazy things with their money. I will rent a Lamborghini for a day. Vince, that's probably the best option. Rent it for a day, enjoy it, get it out of your system, and realize that car's way too small to actually have fun in. I'm 25 and have an old lady Buick. It defines who I am and has heated seats. I don't need a Lambo. I don't even have heated seats in my Kia Forte, man. But I do get like 38, 39 miles per gallon. So guess what? I don't need a Lambo either. Just drive it. A tank of gas lasts me like a month. If I get the life-changing money, first thing I'm buying is an Audi RS5. I don't even know what an Audi RS5 is, man. I don't know if I've ever seen an Audi RS5. People will buy a Lambo while living in a trailer home. People would oil tip. They absolutely would, man. They absolutely would. There's no doubt in my mind that they would. What do you think about the dude betting $1 million against AMC? Neil, somebody I think was talking about that earlier. Are you talking about betting $1 million against AMC being below 45? Was it in October? Are we there yet? Marky, we are on our way. I want a Ford Fiesta with a Bentley interior. There you go, Brett. Now that's a one-of-a-kind exclusive. Vigilante has a date. What? Come on, Vigilante. When? This weekend? What's up? Dude, if it's this weekend, you guys gotta watch. I'll do a live stream. I'll talk you up during the day. Yeah, like shout out to that dude sitting in South Carolina right now. He's got his arm around her. Okay, yeah, we'll make it happen. It's gonna be nice. I know people financing Lambos, they make good money, like $200,000, but not most would consider not what most would consider Lambo money. Yeah, dude, I don't even know what it would cost to finance a Lamborghini, but if you're spending your entire year's salary, or even less, I don't know what Lamborghinis cost. They might even be more than $200,000, depending on which model they're getting. Dude. That's a crazy lifestyle to try to keep up, man. It's tonight, Clay. Is it really? Oil tipped. Tonight? Yeah! What time? Maybe instead of the video tonight, we just do a live stream. We talk up Vigilante. Yeah, it's going to be good. You have to finance a Lambo. You can't afford a Lambo. That is good advice, man. Where do people live that they'd buy a Lambo? Like, where do you park it? Am I being too boring thinking it'd be keyed within a day? Dude, you gotta park it in the garage, first of all. If you don't have a garage, like, don't do that. And you can't even drive a Lamborghini every day, man. I can't drive one, but probably, I don't know, 3 months out of the year, I'm not gonna drive a Lamborghini when it's snowing outside. It would be wise to reinvest your AMC money into dividends. Yeah, at least a portion, Adrian. And I hope that people, and you know what? You don't have to get super conservative post-squeeze either. You don't have to think like, well, I made $1 million on AMC. Now I have to just put it in an ETF and collect these dividends at 4% the rest of my life. You don't have to be that way. I mean, if that's who you are, sure, go for it. But just, don't go out and buy an $800,000 Rolls Royce or something and not be able to use the money that you earned. Hey, bro, we looking for a power hour run? Dominic, I sure hope so. So Vegas Chef Andrew gave me a recipe to make. I'm cooking her dinner tonight. Oil tipped. What are you cooking? Dude, what are you cooking? I made some fried chicken tenders yesterday and rice. I'm not going to lie, dude. I didn't do it in... I was thinking about Brett while I was frying those chicken tenders, right? Because I didn't have any bacon. I wanted to do it in bacon grease, but I didn't have any bacon. I fried those chicken tenders up, man. Ate those bad boys with some rice. That was delicious. But is it weird that I was thinking about Brett while I was frying my chicken? Is that weird, or is that normal? Do you guys also think about Brett while you're frying things? Why do people want to complicate their lives with a bunch of debt and stress? I'm getting as far away from that life as possible. I want my own life. Currently, my job owns me because of my bills. Oh, Natalie, I have no idea why people want more and more and more things and then dig themselves more and more and more into debt. I'm completely on board with you. That is like your goal right now is the goal that everybody should have. I can speak from experience, all right? Being debt-free and not having to worry about what you're going to do or what if this happens or what if that happens, that is life-changing, okay? And you don't need to go out and make $200,000 a year to get there. You can do it. You can absolutely do it, okay? It is possible, and that it's going to change things for you. It really will. Unless frying my chicken is... No, it's not code, Brett. It's not code. It's not code, dude. It's, I was literally frying some chicken yesterday, and I'm like, man, I wonder if Brett's frying some chicken right now. Pork chops, mashed potatoes with roasted garlic and roasted carrots. Dude, it sounds good. I'm not a huge pork chop guy, though. I'm not a huge pork chop guy. I'd rather do chicken salmon steak, something along those lines. Shrimp, too. I really like grilling some shrimp. That's always good. I'm 100% debt-free besides my monthly bills to live debt-free as of March 2020. Beautiful. And oil tipped. Just not so everybody's like taking my word for it or whatever. Doesn't it feel that much better when you don't have to worry about stuff like that? Being debt-free, guys, it's a huge thing. So even if the squeeze only provides you enough to cover your debt, I'm telling you, that's life-changing. Went from 320 in debt to 0. Dude, and you feel better, don't you? You feel better. And clearly, I mean, people have monthly bills, right? Like, you got to pay property taxes, you got to pay the electric bill, you got to pay for Wi-Fi. There's bills that you're going to have. But as far as, like, being in debt, you don't want that. I prefer steak, but she doesn't eat beef. Dude, I was going to say make some bacon, but you should throw some mozzarella sticks. Okay, here's the deal. All right, oil tips. I don't know what your afternoon looks like, but if you still have time to go to the store, because I'm going to assume you don't have bacon and mozzarella sticks at your house, and maybe breadcrumbs and some honey mustard dry rub. Dude, I'm telling you right now, we're going to test my recipe versus Vegas Chef Andrew, the private chef that travels the world. Cook the pork chops, all that stuff for her, and then appetizer, dude. Appetizer. Fry up some mozzarella sticks, some honey mustard flavored mozzarella sticks with the dry rub now, and mix it with the breadcrumbs, and some bacon grease, dude. You can even think about wrapping the bacon around the mozzarella stick or something if you want to get really crazy. But yeah, I'm saying do it. And we'll test. Me versus Vegas Chef Andrew. He says, oh, she's eating beef tonight. You guys are crazy, man. You got to pay your Claybro subscription. Subtle wink. Yeah, that's just one of the things that you got to pay for, right? Sam Blow. 50% likes. Come on, guys. Click that like button. Oh, you guys are crazy. I have bacon and bread. Didn't get some mozzarella sticks, oil tipped. I'm telling you. Okay, if you do that, no, Natalie, I'm telling you right now, you would like it. You would like it, Natalie. You know you would. Oh my God, you guys are nuts, dude. Okay. Eddie's got a question. If AMC drops now when the market is red, why do a lot of people think that AMC will skyrocket when the market correction happens? They think it's going to be like a double-edged sword, man. They think that when AMC skyrockets, the hedge funds are going to be liquidating other positions in order to get the money available to cover their losses in AMC. So they're thinking AMC is going to be rocketing higher, and they're going to need to cover their losses somehow. So they're going to be liquidating other assets, and those assets that get liquidated are going to drag the overall market down. Next level of support, do we bounce? Yes, we're not going to go below that red line today. We're going to be good. So I'm so depressed. These hedgies are devils. Ishan, don't be depressed, man. It's all right. Technically, this has put me in more debt as I took out a loan to buy shares. Oh, my God, Pringleton, you are nuts, man. But near paid off my house anyway, so mother of all short squeezes for my kids. Pringleton! You're a risky, risky man, dude. I like it. Disclaimer, if you feed this woman Clay's mozzarella sticks, there's very high chances she's dancing around your room like a unicorn. Very high chances, guys. Very high chances. I'm telling you, it's contagious. Okay? It's contagious. Oh my gosh. Can't win them all. 50% down on something, can't win them all. Out of my AMC calls on stop loss. Hey, it's all right, oil tipped. And you're right, dude. You can't win them all. Guess what? You're still going to have another opportunity to get in today, aren't you? Man, there is some FOMO talk on AMC trying hard to get people to sell. Oh, dude, Dean, there's no FOMO talk going on in here. No FUD talk going on in here ever. If you're worried about people selling AMC, nobody in here is selling AMC. Come on, September 1st. Let's get that in. Let's do it. It sounds delish. Say what? I don't even know. All right, fine. Natalie, feta sticks, pan-fried in avocado oil with breadcrumb garnish. Is that a thing, Brett? Because I have feta cheese here, and I also have avocado oil. And I have breadcrumbs. I must be hungry, because that actually sounds good. That actually sounds good right now. Is that a thing? Was Brett just making that up? I sure hope it's not a thing. Brett, I think we can make it a thing, dude, because I have feta. I can slice off like a couple, I don't know, little squares. I can fry those bad boys up, man. Now I'm wondering. I don't know if I have any actual avocado, though. I've got avocado oil. But I feel like that might go good with some avocado. Cool Bacon. Hubby asked how much did I put into AMC. I told him just not to ask. Oh, God. Cool Bacon. You're not my stepmom, are you? Now I need to know. Like, they just ask, how much do we got invested into AMC right now? It's better not to ask. It's better just... Don't ask until we're in the green. Don't ask. No, we're not breaking your heart, Natalie. This is going to be good. I'm thinking about this, Brett, because I have all of the ingredients to make this. I think that might actually go good with the fried chicken and rice that I made last night. AMC for Halloween costumes. Dude, the only Halloween costume I have is a Spider-Man costume. By the broken heart. She doesn't like the bacon grease. But we're frying it, Natalie. We're frying it in avocado oil. Next meetup is with Review Dork. Where are you going? Oil tipped. Orlando? Avocado. Not. Avocado. 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 Not avocado. Dude. Sorry, E-Turbo. Sorry. Just eat Cheez-Its. That might be easier than eating this, but I feel like I need to try it. He just works for the money and I spend it. Cool Bacon-tron. That's the perfect combination. Because it's true. Some people work for the money, some people spend the money. I don't like to spend money, so I need somebody to spend some money. It's not being a weirdo, so oil tipped, good. Nobody likes weirdos, man. Anthony B, I did it because I don't trust Robinhood, and I feel like they screw me over when AMC peaks, but they will definitely delete your Robinhood account, so it's up to you. Oh, if you completely transfer, is that what you're saying? Avocado. 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 Yeah, we got an avocado in there. Hey, man, what's good? John, what's good, man? How you doing? Say it like bro, Clay. Say it like a bro, Clay. Avocado. Avocado. What is wrong with avocado? Now you guys are killing me like I'm a quesadilla. Like I put avocado on my quesadilla. I mean, I sold my AMC calls. Oh, cardio is the key. Burn that. Plus, I stay in ketosis. What is going on, man? I don't even know. Oh, he was responding to Natalie. I'm like, what is it? What is happening right here? Because I'm an RN, hearing about all this food fried and artery clogging muck makes me sad. No, it doesn't. Listen, Natalie, you know for a fact that you're allowed to eat fried food every once in a while. You know that you are allowed to eat fried food every once. There's no way that you can tell me that I can't eat fried food every once in a while. Like, I'd say 90% of the food that I make is grilled. And then some of it's baked. I don't do too much. I did bake a cake yesterday, though. Dude, the cake I baked yesterday, I swear to you, it's got like 120 grams of protein in it. It's nuts. And it actually tastes good. So I did bake a cake yesterday, but I'd say probably 90% is grilled, and maybe 10% is either like sauteed / fried. Yesterday was definitely fried though, and it tasted delicious. Natalie, I had kale salad for lunch. No fried food for me. Amcool Bacontron and Natalie are becoming best friends. Sam Blow says, fact, keto was originally for people with epilepsy. Not sure if I spelled that right, because it tricked their bodies into thinking they were fasting, which helped reduce seizures. I had no idea about that. But, yeah, keto diet, I mean, it seems to work out for a lot of people. A lot of people I know are doing it. Okay, do I get back in on AMC calls? This dip. Oil. Good question, man. Good question. I would say if you're going to get in, either watch the dip back down to the red line or in this area. Up to you, though. Clearly, you know it's up to you, man. I'm not going to tell you when to get in, but I don't know if that's the end of the dip right here. Yeah, dude, you're really day trading those things. If you're getting in like 3 times in one day. Okay, I'm done. I'm not trying to ruin the fun. Natalie, come on. You can never ruin the fun. Crotein is better than protein. I don't even know what crotein is, man, but it sounds good. Cleveland Cliff seems like another that can pop. A price of steel is stupid high as well. Hopefully apes grab and hold it. Was on the radar a minute. Monkey, yeah, man, sure. I don't really know if Cleveland Cliffs is going to pop or not, but dude, if you guys want to throw a stock out there to let people know about it, absolutely. Go throw a stock out there. I don't care. My nephew's account holding AMC. He needs account still to play or odd transfer. Gotcha, Anthony. You're talking about Robinhood. Robin hooked up after 43.65. Y'all having the same problem. I do not have Robinhood. I don't know if anybody else is having the same problem. You might. But look at the time, Clay. It's 1:17. Yeah. So 1:30 usually see a bounce. Oh, there you. Hey, oil tipped. If that's true, man. If that's true, if you believe you usually see a bounce around 1:30, I say go for it. I think we close green today. Dude, especially look, man. I'm not going to tell you to go out there and bet some money because you've already made some money. But if you want to, you're kind of already playing with the house's money, especially day trading like that today and doing so well already. I think you're doing fine. I think we close green today, Clay, bro. AMC to the moon. That's why I got that line on there. I think we're going to bounce through it. Could a deep fried salad be a thing? I think a lot of people would eat a deep fried salad. Spending time with my 10-month-old son at Chick-fil-A watching Clay, bro. El Campo. Very nice. Shout out to your 10-month-old son. I know the dude can't understand me yet, but guess what? He's growing up right. You're raising that kid right. I like it, El Campo. I like it. And shout out to anybody else in Chick-fil-A right now that is listening. I don't know if Campo's got headphones in or not, but if he doesn't, subscribe to the Clay Bros YouTube channel. That would be good advice. That would be good advice for everybody to do out there. Hey, if you go tell him to announce it at the Chick-fil-A, like over the loudspeaker, I'll give Chick-fil-A, whatever Chick-fil-A it is, a shout out in front of all 200 people in here. And then however many people watch it after the live stream. It's a free shout out, dude. Clay, thoughts on diarrhea coin? Yes, it's real. Sam, it's going to be explosive. I've never even heard of diarrhea coin, man. One of the biggest vitamins people lack is vitamin E and K. They're essential. Can't stress enough how important it is to take multivitamins no matter your age. Well, Detroit, man, take multivitamins. I agree with it. Vitamin E and K. Never knew that we needed more of those vitamins. Ishan is not like Kenneth Griffin. We all retail investors make sure Kenneth Griffin begging in the New York streets because he doesn't have any money after we take it all from him. Hi, do you think the price of AMC will go under 40? Need to be mentally prepared. Joanna. I do think that it can't fall below 40. I think 40 is a level of support. And if we do fall below 40, I think 38 is the next level of support that we've got. Order for Clay, bro. Order for Clay, bro. Chick-fil-A has the best grilled nuggets. She ain't even getting fried nuggets, man. Come on, man. She gotta go grilled nuggets. Oh, man. All right, Natalie, I promise. I won't cook you any fried chicken tenders, even though they were delicious and you would like them. I will grill you. Your chicken. I can grill too. I can grill. Let's see. I'm not joking when I say this, but apparently it's the most liquid crypto you'll ever invest into. It's the most liquid and explosive crypto that currently is on the market. Those are also fat soluble, so take them with food. Oh, Nurse Natalie, we need help. Dairy Coin is the best to invest in if you love White Castle and Chipotle. Well, Lex, it's also good advice there. We should be eating more bananas. I don't have any bananas, but we should be doing that. Oh my gosh. If not, I think it's coming. Mr. Normus, you should probably start it, because if it's not here yet, it's definitely coming. Their fried nuggets are also very good. Yes, their fried nuggets every one of their nuggets are also good. Oh my gosh. Invented at Chick-fil-A on Sunday. That's a good place to go on Sunday, Del Toro. It's not going to end up very well for you, but you're going to have to do something. This is insane. I knew she was knowledgeable on diet and food, but I'm now having Natalie write me up an easy-to-follow meal plan. Natalie, write me up one too, please. But please include like at least one day where I'm allowed to have some sort of a fried food. Just a good tasting thing. Orange Folius, thank you very much for the super chat. Been here too long. I need another gallop. Dude, you didn't send the, listen, you didn't get the unicorn, but you need another gallop, Orange Folius. Oh, man. The fact that people I know watch this is just beautiful, guys. Beautiful. The funny thing is, they probably don't think anything is strange about this. They probably don't think anything is strange about this. Nick F, do you think anything is strange about these lives? Like, are you like, wow, this Claybro dude is kind of weird? Or are you like, yeah, I feel like Claybro is kind of like that. Hey, this might sound like a stupid question. No such thing as a stupid question, Jeff. Other than hearing it from you and other AMC YouTubers, how can a guy like me find out when the hedge funds are starting to cover their shares? Jeff, good question, man. And nobody's going to know for certain where the shares are coming from when they're being sold, right? If you believe Ortex's guesstimated data, then you can look at that. They're going to let you know that the short interest is going up or going down. That's something that you can look at. But you're not going to know for certain, man. I'm not going to know for certain. No other YouTuber is going to know for certain. The only people that are going to know for certain are the hedge funds themselves, because they're going out to cover those positions. But it doesn't show up anywhere on any broker that these orders are coming from hedge funds covering shares or anything like that. So you need to keep that in mind, man. The best information that we're going to be working with is what could be happening, not what is happening. And, really, that's the best information we've ever got in the stock market, is what could be happening. And you just got to move with it, man. That's why nothing is 100% guaranteed when it comes to investing. It's all up to what people are willing to do. And I don't know, Jeff. I don't know if that's the answer you were looking for, because I'm not going to have the answer when they're covering or not. But I do believe we're going to see a couple things. I believe that if they go to cover more than 3 to 6 million shares, we're going to see the price rise exponentially. And that's also going to cause FOMO buyers. It's also going to cause day traders to just swarm, and it's really going to move. I bet Jim Cramer watching this thinking we were all weird. Joke's on him, though. Yeah, joke is on you. Jim Cramer, are you watching right now? Make sure to drop a like. Danny DeVito knows. Danny DeVito may know where the shares are coming from. Someone call Kenny, yo, where's my money at? All data is wrong. Some data is useful. There you go, man. All data is wrong and some data is useful. Wow, that's scary. Detroit Demon. What's scary about it, though? Natalie, I went to make lunch and all the frozen foods in my freezer have sad faces drawn on them still. No! You need some good faces. Hey, Clay Bro, what does FTD penalty 250,000 mean? Is that for each share, each call, an entire block? I don't know where you're seeing that, man. I don't know where you're seeing that. I can almost guarantee you, though, it's not per share. If that was per share, that would be a very large penalty, and I don't think that's per share. So I don't know if it's for unresolved transactions or what. They do have time to rectify those FTDs. So I guess if they're keeping them outstanding longer than they should, then it would result in a penalty, but I don't think that it's going to be $250,000 per share. What happens if the calls for today doesn't strike? That's good. No, we want the calls to go into the money. We want the stock price of AMC to move higher. Thank you, Clay. Absolutely, Jeff. And Jim Cramer smells like Ben Gay. Sergeant Baloney. He may, man. That's it. I'm buying more. Carlos is ready to go. Felix, it's only good if you own the option and it hits the strike where the price rises and you take profits on this contract gaining value. Thank you very much, Oil Tipped. I appreciate that. SPRT. Check it out. Number 47. I like it. Just a number. You're not even a name. It's number 47. I, like yourself, am exponentially good looking, exceptionally good looking. How do you deal with the unwanted attention? Stay in, Ugandan. You stay inside all day, never leave the house. Jim Cramer probably dresses like he's on safari when he walks his dog for 20 minutes in the woods. I would do the same thing, man, but it's just natural. Tank top, cargo pants, never really a hat because I look terrible in them. Ape Father showed his portfolio. Carlos, Ape Father's been showing his portfolio for a long time. Yo, Clay, bro, they said about 6 million shares were covered on Tuesday, so could the hedgies theoretically do that monthly and just push AMC back down after they cover 5 million shares monthly? Camarones. Yeah, so they theoretically could, right? If they're willing to go out and cover their shares at these prices, they definitely could do it over time. Why? Because people are willing to sell AMC. And if people are willing to sell AMC, the hedge funds can go out and buy it at any rate that they want, at any time that they want, and they can cover if they're willing to go out and admit that AMC is not going to go down from here. So, yes, they definitely could. But with that being said, where was I going with that? I don't think that they're going to be willing to cover their shares. I think that they believe AMC is going to continue to fall from these prices. And also, we don't know, man. That's the net estimate. They may have covered 50 million shares, but then they may have shorted an additional 44 million shares. So it would have resulted in a net 6 million being covered. We don't know the exact numbers that were out there. We just know the net change. Mr. Toad, in order to confirm how good looking you are, I'm going to need you to DM me some nodes. Get the DMs going. Sam Blow needs the nodes, and let's confirm. For anyone who cares, Travis... Oh, man, I don't even know how to say this guy's last name. Injury results in a decent upgrade to James Robinson and Chenault. What? And also, the trade of Sony Michael, massive upgrade for... Okay, we're talking about sports. What? I don't even know what sport we're talking about, Rocket. What is this? Is this football? People are starting to talk about football again? Yeah, I have no idea what he just said. No, not a single idea. Not even a single idea, man. I don't even know how to say those dudes' last names. Wasn't for him. Guess. Wasn't for him. Who was it for, Rocket? Who was it for? Oh, man. I don't even have any idea what sport that was. Does anybody know? Nick F., do you know what sport that was? Gosh. Whenever I set buys to get the dip, it drives to the dip. I should set my sells to the moon then. Broker only lets me set the sell at 10 to 15 times the current price though. WTF. Jarrett, you're the man. It all comes down on you, okay? Stop setting really low buy orders so it dips. And then, yes, just set it to the... And you can take one for the team, dude. Just set it 10 to 15 times away from the current price. And, just get back in. Get back in. When it starts to run up to those, maybe increase your sell limits or something, and you're going to be good. Detroit Demon expiration tomorrow. Nice, man. I emailed him, and he said he would never welcome on my channel after he said what he said. I don't know. I'm still obsessed from learning Sony Michael isn't Japanese. Well, there you go, man. I'd be just as upset. It was for whoever is managing your fantasy team. Who does anybody like? If you guys want to, they would never do it. Does anybody want to secretly manage my fantasy football team? Like, I can just message TMI on Twitter and be like, yeah, man, let me in that fantasy league. And then I can get in the fantasy league and one of you guys can manage it for me. Because I have no idea who any of these guys are. I'm out. Nice, oil tipped. Out already. Dude, what did you just do, man? Snag like a 4-minute call option? Bashing YouTubers again without names. Come on now. It's pronounced Sony Michelle. Sony Michelle? Okay, it's pronounced Sony Michelle. I'll do it. Dude, would you guys like... that could be half the stream. We could just come on here and we get half the stream could be like all of us, the entire Claybro channel coming together to beat these other guys in fantasy football. And I know absolutely nothing about what is going. Now I'm starting to think that might be a little bit fun to do. When do you have to do that stuff though? Is it time consuming? Because clearly I don't want to do it if it's time consuming, but it does sound like it would be fun. 42-28 to 42-53. Dude. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah. Oil tips, you're killing it today, dude. I'm not welcome in Fantasy League after showing up dressed like a warlock last year. Brett! That's why I don't do it anymore, man. It scarred me my first time, and then I can't get in anymore. New England Patriots, AFC Eastern Champions, Week 1. Mr. Norma says calling it. Yes, that's he pronunciation. Who cares? That's the pronunciation. Who cares? I think that he probably would. Where's Slip Jones been? Slippa Jones! Are you out there, man? Natalie wants to know where you're at. Clay shows up. It says a unicorn. Yes, let's go to the draft dressed as a unicorn because that's what I want to do, man. It's all about fantasy. I'm 48 years old, union worker who has made a decent living, but crypto and meme stocks has truly changed my life. Great feeling to know I just won't have to rely on a pension and 401k. Monkey C. Isn't that great to know, though? I mean, it sounds like you put a lot of work in, but it is great to know when you got that backup plan like that. We need to get out of this funk. We will, Denny. We will. We should do a fantasy league, and the winner gets 1 AMC share for each participant. I'll do it 100%. That's like betting, man. I'm not comfortable in my ability to do any sort of a fantasy league like that. I wonder how many times Denny has told Ape Father. Maybe more than once. AMC's still in the 40s. I want 50s. Oh, Natalie. I want 50s too. Let's go, Denny. Let's go. Clay, I get so into it. I know the OCs and HCs. Yeah, something. Run schemes and which backs are historically successful in those schemes, as well as defense versus offense output per game flow. I think we could take these guys. Now, like, I think we, as long as you guys don't secretly help, like TMI or VIX or Coors or anybody else that's in this thing, I think we could take them. With our knowledge combined, I think we can win. And wouldn't they be so mad, like, if I know nothing about football and we ended up winning? Learned so much from you, Clay, in your chat. Thank you, Monkey C. I appreciate that. We do learn a lot in here, don't we? My fantasy team is Jessa Rhodes. Oh boy. Clay, isn't this what we're basically doing is betting? Detroit, yes, but we're betting on things that I know about. When you're talking about football, I don't know anything about football, man. I don't know anything about football. Do it. Do it. Call 900 plus day a winner. Do I do it? Dude, you call it 9. Listen, man. Listen. I'm not even saying be conservative today, but you need to go to the store and get those mozzarella sticks, man. You got a date tonight. You got to pit my recipe against the world-renowned private chef's recipe, okay? And I'm confident in my mozzarella stick recipe. So you got things to do today. And, dude, $900 gain, man. You're killing it. Well, life gives you lemons, AMC. Squeeze the juice out of it and burn the hedgies out. Sorry, I just like the sound of it. Joanna, I also like the sound of it. That is exactly what we were doing. Oil tips, you're making me nervous, dude. You're making me nervous because you're killing it already. You're really having an amazing day. Clay, your hair looking like a hedgehog. Detroit, that's pretty good, isn't it? Looking like a hedgehog. It's because I had to like oil tip it so many times. Oil tip. Good luck on your date. Let us know how. What do you mean? Let us know how it goes. We might just do a live stream during the date. I say, oil tip. Just set up a live stream so we can all watch the date. Okay. Set up a live stream. Just since your webcam plugs in and you don't have to worry about the battery, just put it in the corner. We all want to chime in, watch the chat, see how it goes. It's going to be like a Big Brother type deal. You know what I mean? Like, you can tell her that you're live streaming. It's all right. And then we're going to know how it goes. Gordon Ramsay loves cheese sticks. I don't know if he does or not, but he would love my cheese sticks for sure. So September, new rules are coming, and if nothing is still done, there will be a huge riot protest to end the BS because it's starting to get into nothing but same thing in this insanity. Fruit Bowl! Calm down, man. It's going to be okay. I promise it's going to be okay. Why are we like this? I have no idea, Natalie, but it sounds fun. It sounds fun. Is it okay to film? Is it okay if I film this? Always goes over well on especially what? Is it a first date? I don't know. But yeah, Brett, it's gonna be good. You have to watch it live. You can't film it though. Like we'll delete the recording. It's okay. We'll delete it. And I'm telling you, dude, just prop it up in the corner, little camera, and then let her know like we're live streaming. Say hello. I say we do it. Clay, I've been watching you all day. I've come to a conclusion. Eric, let's hear the conclusion, man. I need to know. Is it okay if I film? Okay, yeah. How many shares do they need to cover again overall? Around roughly 90 million. I think it's 87 million is the latest estimated Ortex data, Dean. Thanks, Nats. Clay, you gotta give us that skin routine. Don't shower, dude. Don't shower is the best skin routine that I can give. That's like, if you want my life advice, don't shower. No soap. It'll dry you out. Wish I could DM Nick F right now. Big draft this upcoming weekend. What? DM him. Nick, go get a Twitter. Nick F, go make a Twitter. When is the squeeze so I can know when to be home because my Wi-Fi sucks at work. If everything goes, you need to estimate the time of the squeeze. Lewis, man, I have no idea when the squeeze is going to happen, but it's going to be longer than a day, all right? So if it does happen and you need to run and leave work because your Wi-Fi is terrible, you're going to have time to get home. Clay, did you steal my life advice? Oil tipped. About the shower? Maybe. See you guys. Brendan! See you later. What a bad stream. Back to Matt for me. Brendan, see you later, dude. Enjoy it. Can I have a shout out for my client Grace? She says, hi, I like your accent. Grace, shout out to you. Let me know right now because I think that Lauren is by far the best lash wizard in the entire United Kingdom. I need to know what you think after she gets done, of course. You don't have to let us know before she gets done. But she's by far the best lash, I don't know, Lauren Lash, the lash wizard, the lash lover in the United Kingdom. Shout out to you, and you're the one with the accent, not me. Clearly, I have no accent. It is you, Grace. It is you that has the accent. I shower daily, but missed it. Don't wash my hair daily. There you go. Dude, wash your hair like once a week. Oil tips. You're going to be good. One thing about me, my hair is amazing. Mine too, man. What did Nick F say? just DM me. Just DM Nick F. Might be able to help out. Yes, just go DM Nick F. We should see if he can help out. Claybro looks like he's on a reality TV show that I frequently watch where there is no job. What is the reality show? I don't watch it. Lowe's Lashes, right there. Yes, some people have no personality. It kills me. I'll get a personality. After the squeeze, I'm going to buy a personality, Natalie. I'll buy a personality post-squeeze. What's up, Clay, bro? What do you think it will squeeze to? Gary, I want to see anything over 1,000. I think if people sell out before 1,000, that's just like... That's baby money. They're selling out way too quick. But beyond that, I have no idea how high it's going to go. I truly don't. Who is this Natalie girl? What do you mean, who is this Natalie girl? It's true, Clay. The manipulation and everything is getting out of hand. We need to lay a foot down and start causing chaos in this city so this thing can squeeze. Dude, we may need to cause some chaos in the city, but not today. Not today. I'm not even near the city today. That explains it, Denny. That explains it. Clay, not you. I know, Natalie. I was messing with you, but I don't know if you actually left or not. Brendan, you're allowed to hang out with us, even if you don't enjoy it here. You're allowed to hang out with us, dude. Talk about Irving like that. Yeah, don't talk about. Where is Irving? Now that we're talking about Irving, where is Irving? Clay looks like he spends more time his beard daily than dressing himself. Facts, dude. Facts. If you guys want to talk about me dressing myself during the day, it doesn't take that long to actually put the shirt on. But if you're wondering how long it takes me to grab the shirt, I'd say maybe a total of like 8 seconds. Maybe a total of like 8 seconds. In Ohio, I assume. Irving is in Ohio, I assume. He might be. Hi, I'm Michael, and I have post-squeeze personality. I am also Michael, and I also have post-squeeze personality. Interesting. Where did we get this personality? Sounds like the same store. Camarones, go buy that Shiba Inu coin, suckers. Yeah, go buy it, guys. We need to watch Shiba go up, right? Clay, have you traveled outside the U.S.? Adrian, yes, I have. I've been to Canada, the Caribbean, and Europe. Outside the U.S. I'm in South Carolina looking for really tall people. Wonder how many people in South Carolina are really tall. All tips. I know. 8-second bull ride. 8-second bull ride. There you go, man. And call me a winner. Irving and I were at EDC together. I don't know what EDC is. We both surfed at Huntington Beach together. Perfect, man. You guys are best friends. What can you expect today for AMC? Fatima, we can expect AMC to close green today. That's what I expect for AMC. Clay, can you believe this price action? Denny, it's difficult to believe, right, man? But it's having problems going back above green territory today. We had a nice little trend line forming here earlier, but this channel, I moved that up accidentally. This channel here seems like it's really, I don't know, way too strong for us today. And I don't know why. I don't know why that channel's so strong. What is the volume? 80 million shares. We still got a lot of shares being traded today. We just didn't know we were there. And we didn't know each other. You did it together, but you didn't know. Lash Lover. Lash Lover Lauren. That is correct, Lash Lover Lauren. Lauren, the fact that you have your clients listen to me, I love it. Grace. I'm pretty sure Lauren said something about like giving you one extra lash, a couple extra lash hairs in your lashes if you subscribe to my channel. She said something about it. Typically, she leaves a couple of them like empty. I don't know why she doesn't put it on the lash. But yeah, typically she said she leaves a couple of them empty, but she'll actually give you like a couple bonus hairs if you subscribe to the channel. So let me know, Grace, if you're going to do it or not. Because you need to redeem that bonus, if you will. Guess who's in the house? Let's go, Ape Nation. It's a Salvatore Piazza. What's up, Salvatore? How are you? If we go back into the 30s, it'll be very sad because it's the same thing. Yeah, I'm going to be sad if we go back into the 30s too. Market combat, waiting on Hedges to pay up, and this is going to be glorious for Ape Nation. Yes, Naughty Nurse Natalie and Lash, look. Help me, help me, help me. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. Help me, help me, help me. Darn, you were in Europe. If it was here, I would poll, but they're taking a room temp challenge. I have no idea what is going on with that. I never want to break in to see you. I would never want to break in to see you. I would never want to do that either. I think I missed something because of the Naughty Nurse Natalie and a Lash Lover Lauren comment. Nick F. The look in their faces said the same. No help for the wicked. No help for the wicked. Somebody broke in on Vigilante? Is that what we're talking about here? Clay, what if we were still here for another 3 years and we're still in the 30s to 40s? Dude, if we're still here from 3 years from now in the 30s and 40s, Fruit Bowl, my beard is going to be really long, dude. What can you get 3 years? Like, would I be here in years? Would I be like down to here in 3 years? What does that look like? Oh my god, dude. 3 dudes broke into your apartment at once? That's just terrible, man. That's terrible. Oh my god, I really don't like thieves. I really don't like thieves. Okay? I don't like them. If there's anybody out there right now that is thinking about doing something thievous, don't do it. Don't do it. That's bad. That is really bad. I really don't like thieves. Oh, man. I don't like them, dude. I don't like them. At all. Sounds like the start of my favorite FUB movie. Sam Blow. 3 guys break into a room. Vigilante is there. Your favorite FUB movie coming in hot in the chat right now. I hate it. Me too, Monkey C, man. I really do not like thieves. If you're thinking about being a thief, just don't do it, man. Oh no, I hope 3 dudes don't break into my house. I'm so scared and helpless. Rocket, are you wondering about that, or are you answering Sam there? Meekly gives dog her toy back. Oh my god. A dude got a lazy boy thrown in his... How do you even throw a lazy boy, man? It takes like a moving crew to pick one of those things up. Yeah, a whole lazy boy gets tossed. Like, come on now. Breaking news! YouTuber Clay ends all theft by calmly telling livestream, please don't, when considering theft. Yes. For some reason, crime all over the nation is decreasing as YouTuber Claybro calmly says, please don't, when it comes to being a thief. No, but I am being honest, guys. If you are thinking about stealing something, just please don't. Please don't do it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, man. Never give up your guns. Yes, never give up your guns. Agent Jack Stone, on it. Okay, now who broke the Boom Boom candles this week? I don't know. But I'm glad that Oil Tipped. Are you in or are you out, man? Because this seems like a decent bottom right here that we've been tapping all day. So I don't know if you're trying to rip another... What, 42.11 to... I don't know if you're trying to rip another 50, 60 cents today or not, but that's up to you, dude. We're a little after 1:30, and we're near a bottom. I say just chill with your $900 and enjoy your date tonight, though. It's crazy, because here in Detroit, I've never gotten jumped, even in the sketchy parts, but in Albania, running them pockets. Yeah, dude. Detroit does have some sketchy places, too, though. I did not buy back in. Good deal. Didn't see a bounce. Good deal. Now I don't have to worry about you. Made 900. You're doing good. I met a 40-year-old virgin. I'm thinking of stealing some. Alicia coming in hot with the first comment of the day that I see. Very nice, Alicia. Let us know how that goes. You got to keep us posted. I tapped it with another 150 shares. Crypto Kai, I love it. 4211 is a strong support. Fatima, 4211 is a very strong support today. Alicia, well, that is different. That kind of thievery might be looked upon in a better light. Sorry for the spelling. No, you're good. I stole my wife's heart. Guilty is charged, Your Honor. Adrian, very nice. 10 to 1 odds, Alicia makes him cry. Nah, man, I can't take those odds. I don't know. Alicia may make him cry. Alicia may make him cry on that one. Alicia's been around for quite some time. And Alicia, Salvatore, Alicia. You guys might get along pretty well. Come on, apes. Let's support Clay on Super Chats. Thank you very much. Salvatore Piazza. I appreciate that, man. I want to steal Clay Bro's lamp. Nep Del Toro, you will not steal my lamp, man. You will not steal it. I caved. Popping in at 42.18. Oh, no. All right, 42.18. Let's watch and see what happens with... oh, no. We got a red candle coming in here. We got a red candle. 42.18 buys back in. This is the line right here. This is Vigilante's line. Let's make it orange. This is Vigilante's line that we've got to get above. We got to see this man make some profit today. I like it. This is a fun game. This is a fun game. Let's watch this bad boy go back above this line and give Vigilante some more money for the date tonight. Dude, Vigilante, you're going for an even 1,000, aren't you? At least we'll make him cry for sure. Alicia's talking in third person. No, Vigilante, don't be worried. It's all right, Clay. Put your lamp up for auction, bro. Adrian, never. I can't sell this thing. It's worth more than money. Wrong way, AMC. It's going to be a Piazza. Love that name. I love that name, too, Detroit. Piazza. It's just beautiful. Bought back in 40. Okay, got there. That's the 9 prospectors. Looking good. Time capsule. Oil Tipped is shaking in its boots right now. It'll be okay. We just got 2 little red lines, and we're going to turn green, and Oil Tipped is going to make some good money on this, and he's going to get $1,000 on the day. That's what I want to see. Alicia, come see me after. Maybe you can make 2 men cry. Oh, God. Oh. Alicia, open invitation. Open invitation. You can make 2 men cry. Pretty good. Hedged myself and bought another at 42.05. 42.05. I don't know if he doubled down. 42.05. That's 13 cents on the 18 there. 13 divided by 2. That's 6.5. So 05, 6.5, 11. His break even is going to be somewhere around 42.11. All right. There you go. 42.11, dude, not 12. 42.11 if he doubled down. We'll see what happens. Why not? See what I'm saying, Sam? See what I'm saying? This guy's going to cry for sure. Why not see at the same time? I'll show him what I like on YouTube. Oh, God. Alicia, you're a little too hot to handle. I don't know. Look at you. Look at you, Oil Tipped. But I don't know if you doubled down or not. Tuesday was incredible. Tuesday was incredible. We're going to get another one. Are we in Vegas right now? What is happening? Yes, we are in Vegas right now. And he's green, ladies and gentlemen. He is green. We got to see what's going to happen here. Alicia, Natalie has claims. Oh, man. Natalie's got claims. On Sam, though, I think she was talking to Sam. On Claybro. Today was a dream. Tuesday was a dream. Tuesday was very nice. Oh, God. She's going to have him sitting in the bathtub listening to Taylor Swift for hours. Oh, man. Oh, Sam. I like where this is going. Sam, Alicia. Alicia, Sam. You guys are about to have a lot of fun this weekend. I know you are. Trimmed at 42.17. Jeez, man. Okay, trimmed at 42.17, but his cost average is still down there on his chart. So we got to see what happens. Natalie don't want me. Yes, she does. Natalie is a very nice lady. Come on now. Of course she does. Fun fact, did you know you can grow in length and size with a Kia Forte? Yeah, Fruit Bowl. That is why I own a Kia Forte, man. That is a fun fact that I know. You buy a Kia Forte, works out really well. Out at 42.25. Boom! Out at 42.25, just like that. Vigilante, you don't have to tell me, like, was it a decent trade, though? Was it a decent trade? I don't know what the premiums and everything look like right now. Did you make out decent on it? Because, dude, 42.11 average, 42.25, snagged 14 cents. Very nice. $9. There you go. $9 in... What time was that? I feel like he got in here, right? I feel like he got in on this candle. So 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. $9 in 4 minutes. Nice job, Vigilante. Nice job. And it's going back up. Hey, man, he still made it, though. Got in, got out. $9 in 4 minutes. You can't beat it. Premium cost me 57 cents. Nice. 57 cents times 150 bucks, make $9. Ah, dude, you snagged. Shoot, dude, 20% in 9 minutes. Not bad at all. Gonna buy me a modest GTR Nismo with my attendees. Very nice. That's okay. Hindsight is 20. Dude, hindsight is 20/20, man. This thing could drop like a rock right now and go down to 42 flat. But you did good, man. 20% in 3 minutes. I would rather see you do that all day than go out and buy and sell shares of AMC. If you listen, you know, it's risky going out there and doing that. Clearly, guys, it is. But hey, 20% in 4 minutes, you can't beat that. That's good stuff. Take gains every day. Dude, of course, take those gains every day, man. Making money in matches. Monkey C, that is exactly what we do here. We got monies and matches going on all day long. And shoot, man, that $9 is going to buy your pork chops for tonight. So you're already doing good. I think it was 18.7, but yeah, dope. Good deal, man. 18.7, yeah, percent. 18.7% gain in like 3 minutes. You can't even beat it. My second MC play, I lost 50%. I got out on stop loss. I have a channel. Yes, he does have a channel. Got out on stop loss. Got that. Another day, another dollar. Anthony, that's what, yes. Another day, another day. And look, now he'd be back in the red again. So he did a good job there. EXPR, ESGC. I don't even know what, those are symbols? Is that what we got? Okay, now say you put in 100,000 at that price and it went up. How much would you have made? 20%, man. He still would have made 20%. He would have made 20 grand. 18. Technically, he said 18.7, so he would have made $18,700 in 3 minutes. But dude, if you're buying options though, and you're thinking about putting in $100,000, I mean, he's buying with tomorrow's expiration. Okay, if he went below that line right there and stayed there and didn't just book his loss and let it expire tomorrow, he lost all of it. He lost all of it. So if you're like, if anybody in here is like super impressed with options gains like that, know that he's buying with tomorrow's expiration. So if he didn't close out and just take his loss below this line and it expired tomorrow, he would have lost all of that. Sure, I don't know how many contracts he bought at 57 cents, but if it was one contract and he made that 18.7%, excellent. If he did with 100,000, like Fruit Bowl's saying, and he was below this line tomorrow and he never stopped his loss, then he would have lost all of that. It just expires worthless. So options are risky, but dude, 20% in 3 minutes, you literally can't beat that. We should have the same possibility of a loss. Imagine losing 18,000 in 4. Exactly, dude. Exactly. It's not for the faint of heart. Day trading is definitely not for the faint of heart, especially on options when you're leveraging things. Remember that. Hey Clay, I'm back. Yes, Mangi is back. Thank you very much. The Swedish ape in the house right now. My plays are super risky. Please don't do what I do. Yeah, guys, you know, you can, if you want to try it out and you want to lose some money, you can try it out. Absolutely. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, there's nothing wrong with learning from experience either. So, like, if you bought one option or one contract and it was a $57, if you paid $57 for his premium, dude, you're going to lose $57, right? If it expires worthless, you're going to lose 57 bucks. Consider it a lesson. All right? If you lose 57 bucks again, consider it a lesson. You're not going to go home and cry because you lost $104, $114. You're not going to go home and cry. But just know that you can lose. It's not always gains. Luca! Thank you for the hamburger super chat burger. Dude, I am getting hungry. That's so good, man. Vigilante, you might want to consider making some burgers for tonight's date. Because that's delicious, dude. That's so good. Thank you very much, Luca. I appreciate that. The burgers are the best. What did Brett say? Darn it. I missed what Brett said. Where is Brett? What? I didn't even see. I scrolled up pretty far and didn't even see Brett. But oh yeah, listen, guys, if you wanna check out Vigilante's channel, I think you said the link okay. If you're talking about your channel link, yeah, AMC Vigilante. If you want to check out his channel. Happy National Dog Day. Today's National Dog Day. I need a dog. Rocket's way behind Clay. Brett, I'm like, where's this dude? I didn't even see what Brett said anywhere. Luke has got another burger, but it's not a super chat burger, man. Anybody get in at this line right here and make any more money? Because we seem to be having a really tight channel going on. Just boom, up, down, up, down, up, down, all day long. Have to have huge balls for that. For the burger? Or for what? I think I missed it. Somebody about M. Coop because I like to wear my insecurities on my sleeve. There you go, Brett. Good deal, man. Good deal. It's better than a Kia Forte. I'm going to buy... Okay, so that... Man, now everybody's quoting it. Anybody else want to quote it too? Or maybe Rockets from the future. He could. He could be. Clay, what's your battery at? JB, good question. I should check that because I got to pee. Let's see. 50%. Battery is at 50% right now. Okay, I'm gonna go pee. Watch Weeble for a minute. I'll be right back. 226 people in here. You guys better not leave me. Talk to each other. Somebody, Brett, say something funny and make these people stay. Oh no! I didn't turn the volume off. It's not on you. Plug your ears, guys. All right, I'm back. Come on! 8 of you guys left? Oh, no. 12 of you left. Come on. Why would you do that to me? I hear a sink. What a gentleman. Brett! I told you guys to plug your ears, man. Okay, he's washing his hands. I told you guys to plug your ears. Oh, my gosh. It worked. Go pee again. We got a green candle because I don't have to pee right now. I cannot go pee again. There's no way. 1 minute 26 seconds. Jarrett, was that from the time I left the chair until I came back to the chair? Or was that the time, like, you heard the door close to the door open? Like, what, what did you time there? What did you time? Oh my gosh, this is just timing me going pee. Let me go back, the stock was running. Ah, you came back. No, I gotta go back, the stock was running. Oh man, I know it's my fault. Darn it. The stock was running when I was gone, dang. I was trying to steal the lamp. No, Del Toro, do not steal the lamp, man. Exactly. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. We just went up to 44. You should go. You should hold your pee. No, man, I had to let it go. Click on pee again, but take longer. Touch the lamp. No, I can't do it. Go back. Go back to WC, mate. Water closet? Go back to the bathroom? No, I'm not going back to the bathroom. Take a look at GME, Clay. Mr. Levitz, what's GME doing right now? And GME is running as well today. $213.50. Very nice. GME is definitely having a better day than AMC. That's a fact. I can't, mangi. Don't touch your face. Did you wash your hands? DD214. They can confirm that I washed my hands. Wash closet, yeah, water closet. I figured that's what it was, but I wasn't sure. Tomorrow's going to be volatile. Orange Folius, very likely, especially since they don't want us to expire with options in the money. Let's get this balance. Let's do it. Clay, loving the crew cut shirt. OT. Better than the V-neck, right? AMC was supposed to run with GME today. I know it was. It's just a little late. It's just a little late. It'll start running, man. It will. Go wash your hands for 30 seconds, and it'll go up. Jose, it probably will, but I don't really want to. You guys are crazy, man. Pee on the hedge funds. Nickelback is putting on a show in front of my local GameStop. There are 3 people there. No, Nickelback is in my basement right now, dude. That's the fake Nickelback. Those are, that's a cover band. Calls. Dude, you did not buy more calls. Come on now. So T plus 2 from the run up to 48 is going to hit tomorrow. Yes, if they did not already cover those shares. Ray, watch those comments. Ray, no, I don't think that Ray's... There's nothing wrong with Ray's comment there. No, I don't think that shorts are covering yet, man. You have so you have GameStop in your basement? Yeah, dude, I got a GameStop in my basement. I get a GameStop and a gym down in my basement. That's why Nickelback is hanging out down there right now, putting on a show. I'm keeping all the growth stocks down. AMC is running like a growth stock now. Johnstontown. AMC's gonna close green today. I know it will. A coworker just asked me very judgely if I was about to eat lunch alone in my car. I said, nah, I'll be with Clay. And he seemed very concerned about my mental health. Sam, let me tell you something. I wouldn't rather eat lunch in my car with anybody except you. So tell your coworker. Dude, tell your coworker, listen, man, tell your coworker to jump in the passenger seat with you and eat lunch with you right now and hang out with us. And then your entire office, I guarantee you if your entire office watches this channel, you're going to go from a, 8 to 5 workday, all of a sudden from like 8 to maybe 11, and then you're going to hang out in here from 11 to 1, and then you're going to have a lunch break from 1 to 3, and then from 3 to 5, you're going to hang out in here again. So really your workday is going to just be 8 to 11 a.m. It's going to be nice, dude. It's going to be nice. Get your coworkers on board with the Claybro live stream. Coworker, yeah, I saw that one. Okay. If you think they're covering, check Fintel. I don't think they're covering at this point. Sing it, Clay. Look at this! Look at this photograph! Look at this photograph. Every time I do, it makes me laugh. How did her eyes get so red? What is on Joey's head? This is where I went to school. My whole office watches the stream every single day. Brett, you're the only member in your office, dude. What's going on with that? Your boss won't even watch during a meeting. Heck, better than my coworker. I have noticed I work with some low-key diamond hands around my shop. Good, dude. You need some diamond hands around the shop, man. Oh, Nick, thank you for saving us. Ortex update. Estimated short interest change plus 1.64%. Return shares 1.13 million. Borrowed shares 2.86 million. Borrowed change up 1.73 million. Estimated current short interest or free float 17.28%. Estimated current short interest 88.36 million. Utilization 90.95%. Very nice, Nick. Thank you for the Ortex update. I appreciate that for sure. The dog stops by periodically. No. Let the dog know, man. Let the dog know. Oh, what did Natalie say? I want rocket work schedule in the summer. AMC is going to help me get there. Nice, Natalie. Nice. We got to get Rocket's summer work schedule for sure. That's what I want. Hanging out on the golf course. Hanging out on the pontoon boat. All that. What did Nick say? I don't even know what Nick F said. And he said, anytime. Now, she said, thank you, Nick. Oh, Nick F. Nick F swooping in, but she was talking about the other Nick. Come on, Nick F. We should discuss the new rule ending in 010, effective since Tuesday. Hedges could have got a loan using collateral to cover shorts, but instead they chose to literally keep committing fraud. No one cares. JIT NYC, man, I don't think that it's as bad as a lot of people think. I know it's me. I know a lot of you guys disagree in here, but I don't think it's as bad as a lot of people do. I got some coworkers to buy shares. They're just ignoring it, and I'm giving the word to sell, so diamond hands by proxy. Very nice, Pringleton. I feel like that's like my mom, except I'm going to have to actually go over there and grab her phone and sell it because she don't know how. Just meant people have been talking to me more about AMC, and surprisingly, they're in it too. Not as deep as I, though. I always give the channel a shout out. That's what I'm talking about, Chris. Thank you very much, man. There are people out there that want to day trade AMC. And I saw it on the TikTok live. I know a lot of you guys were in here earlier, but I was scrolling through some of those TikTok live traders last night. And, yeah, they were all telling you to be bearish on AMC. And I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. Why would you be bearish on AMC? They're like, well, it's above the volume weighted average price right now. It's going to have to come down. It was so high. It's just a pump and dump scheme. And I'm like, oh, you guys know so little. There's so many more people, guys, that we have to educate on what is happening here, that this is not a pump and dump scheme. So our work is not done yet. Our work is definitely not done. Nickelback is shorting AMC. Never, Banana Man. Nickelback is actually the biggest whale in AMC. They've got more shares than... Could you imagine if I did a video saying that Nickelback owns more shares of AMC than BlackRock? Oh, and my knowledge of the matter is they told me. I've got them in my basement right now. They're staying in my spare room, and they told me they have more shares than BlackRock. I'm going to put on those TikTok bums. You should, Detroit. No, you should. Go, if you're watching TikTok and you see those traders, you don't have to start a whole conversation with them, but you should tell them to go hang out in our live stream because they do need to learn a little bit about what's actually going on with AMC. I don't mind if people are like, well, AMC's too risky for me. It's too high. I'm not going to get in here. Like, whatever. It's not it doesn't fit my risk appetite. I can understand that. But if they're just wrong about something, I feel like they should know that they're wrong about it. And then they can make their decision. So if you're scrolling across TikTok and you see those day traders that they're posting their graphs or whatever, just tell them to come hang out in the stream. Brett, won't let you in while crying? Nick F, not sure. She has ghosted me and left me crying on Brett's doorstep. And Brett won't let you in while crying? Oh, no. Clay, I follow Matt and Trey, and I like Trey's more than Matt. What do you think? Oh, I like them both, Matt. Mangi. I like them both. Everybody's got a slightly different approach to everything, which is what I like. Nickelback pays a dividend, though. Nickelback does pay a dividend. Hey, Clay, quick question. Not sure if this was discussed or not. Are options negatively affecting our ability to squeeze? Christine, I don't think it's negatively affecting our ability to squeeze, right? I don't think that options are directly helping the squeeze unless those contracts are exercised and you buy the shares with them. So I don't think it necessarily negatively affects the squeeze, but it doesn't positively affect the squeeze unless they expire in the money and they're exercised and they can cause some sort of a gamma squeeze, or the people that do exercise and grab those shares are willing to hold those shares. That would be the difference on that. Hey, Clay, has everything going, bro? Check FINRA reported volume on 825 and 824 and compare it with Webull in the same day. Webull volume is way higher than FINRA report. Any thoughts? Adrian, I did not see the volume there, but I also... I don't know what would be going on with that, because the volume that Webull would be reporting is the same volume that everybody would be reporting. So I didn't see that, so I can't directly comment on it, but I think that would be something would be wrong with that. Clay, I don't hate them because they're wrong about AMC. I am missing out on life-changing money. They're wrong about AMC and missing out on life-changing money because I hate them. Exactly, Sam. Exactly. And once we've got that love for those 12-year-old day traders in our hearts, and we go let them know that AMC is not a pump and dump scheme, that is a short squeeze play. Hey, think about it, guys. If we got all of these kids on TikTok that are day traders and posting videos, we got them on board too to actually hold or at least talk intelligently about AMC, then we would be doing a lot better. We would. I think I should spend some more time scrolling through some of their lives and talking to them about it. That actually might be a decent thing to do. Because we can't have people out there, like, dispersing fake news. Hey, Clay, where's the green candles? Johan, man! Green candles are going to be coming on the chart right after... Creep. Support right here. Alright, support right here. And then we'll watch it bounce off this support and move up into the close. Good deal, guys. Good deal. Right there, man. That's where the green line starts. Johan, that's for you, my man. That's for you, Johan. Can't fix stupid. Skype. You can. Actually, you can inform them about what's going on. Start making dance videos on TikTok. Yeah, that's the best way to get popular on TikTok. Is just whatever's trending right now, whatever that shows up on your For You page 16 times in 1 minute, that's what you need to do. I know, right? I get so much crap at my job about how I'm wasting my money on AMC. I wish I would never have told anybody. Guess, dude, what? What? OT, why would somebody... Oh my god. First of all, you're not wasting your money, dude. I believe by now you know what you're playing AMC for, right? You're not playing AMC for some pump and dump scheme where all of us who got in early are going to get rich and all of us who get in late are going to be poor. There's legitimate, like, and I don't know how confident people are in talking to other people about it, but guys, a short squeeze play is a real thing. It's not a pump and dump, man. A pump and dump would be me coming on here, and if AMC literally had no short interest, no following, nothing, but I'm Mr. Beast level followers, and I come on here and I say, oh, AMC is the stock to buy, and then all of the 10-year-olds who do follow him go out and buy it and pump the stock up for no reason. I mean, that would be a pump and dump scheme. That's not what this is. And people think that's what this is because they see it go up from $2 to $70 and they're like, this is insanity. Why would it? What are they going to say when it goes to like 1,500 or 7,000? What are they going to say when it goes prices? Oh, well, they pumped it even further and then they dumped it. Oh, God. Calm down, man. Calm down. They're like 16. They're like 16, dude. Somebody just needs to talk to them. Oh, boy. Okay. I'm calm. We're good. We're good. Oh, man. Invite them to the stream. Calibra will melt their hearts. Yes. After I calm down, though. DD214, I will try to melt their hearts. Speaking of pump and dump, Clay, you're still green, man? No, we're all good. We're all good, Sam. Thank you for the reminder of my poem that I wrote yesterday. I got it at 9 and I've been buying the dips. Now my average is 32.71. Still holding and buying diamond hands. PDP, and you don't think that this is some sort of a pump and dump, right, man? You think this is a short squeeze play, which is exactly what it is. You just don't like Matt's chair? That's wrong, bro. What do you mean I don't like Matt's chair? Of course I like Matt's chair. I don't like my chair better, but... One more question, mate. This guy is fantastic. Review dork. What do you think? You and him are about the same level. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. I don't watch all of his videos, right? And I have watched some more, and maybe you guys can clear this up with me. But he said that he's adding more positions as it goes from like 40, 50, 60, 70. But he said he's been talking a lot about momentum swing plays lately and momentum trading. And I didn't know if he was talking about AMC or just in general. Because I know he's trying to do like a overall market education type deal. He's trying to like swing into that. But is he talking about doing that with AMC, or is he on board with the squeeze? But that dude also, he spends a lot of time and money editing his videos. He does a very good job, but I don't think he needs to spend that much time doing it. Paul, no, that means you go buy more. Missed what Paul had to say. AMC's going to down. Should I sell my 10 shares? Paul, no, man. Why would you sell your 10 shares, dude? Clay, it's time for the reverse comb over. Let's do a straight back. Let's do straight back. Leave the stream real quick. Get that mop wet and pull it back. Okay. I for some reason it does not go to the right, but I can go back with it. I can go back with it, and I don't think that you guys want to see that. That'll just make you think about the Salvatore. Like I'll be a Salvatore at that point if we go straight back, and I'll be a Piazza when it goes straight back. AMC's never bad. Exactly. Gabe is all right. He wants to be a comedian. Does he do live streams? Or does he only do videos? Because I know the guys that do live streams that I always see are AMC Vigilante, The Masked Investor, Matt Kors. I don't see Trey's live streams anymore, so I don't know if Trey does live anymore. And then Short the Vix. Short the Vix I like Short the Vix, man. That's a smart kid. He's a good guy. Ooh, PD Pete, thank you for the super chat. PD Pete says, have lunch on me, bro. PD Pete, I always wonder when people say, have lunch on me, do you want me to like get my leftover chicken and rice and literally eat that on you? Or are you saying, here, man, here's some money, go have lunch on me. Like, this one's my treat. I always wonder. Thank you very much for the super chat, PD Pete. I appreciate that, man. Today, yes, thank you. Dude, you guys are so supportive. It is amazing. Thank you very much, PD Pete. That is awesome. And I will have lunch on you. On you or compliments of you. Or I will compliment you while having lunch on you. Whichever one you want, man. Whichever one you want. Oh, God. We need to just, all right. Moving on. Thank you very much. PD Pete for the lunch, for the super chat, for all of that. It is good. Buy Cobb salad. Then we got to cut it up. We got to cut up the Cobb salad, man. Let's remember that YouTubes are also humans. I am sure they have their bad days too. Just some more than others. Yeah, dude, everybody has bad days, right? Everybody has those days. Everybody has those days. Isn't that like a Hannah Montana song? Everybody has those days. But when you're a YouTuber, right, you can come on YouTube and then I can be Clay Bro and I can be Clay when I'm not on YouTube. And you know what I get? I've got the best of both worlds. Hannah Montana. Make sure you go check that out. 2007. That's where's that? Eat bruised fruit. Bruised fruit is just bad, man. You want to eat the fruit before it gets too rotten. And yes, Hannah Montana, The Bachelor. I gotta ask. So my dad was talking about The Bachelor the other day, right? You guys know about that. He said there's some surfing show that comes on right after The Bachelor. Anybody watch that? Is it good? Because that sounds like something I'm interested in. So I want to get started. But I didn't know. Is it a good thing? Have you ever seen it? Curious on your price target, Clay. What are you thinking? Ryan, I really want to see $1,000 per share. If we don't get there, we don't get there. If we blow by it, it doesn't mean that's where my take profit is. It just means that's what I want to see. I think we can get that if people understand what's going on. We can't get that if all these 12-year-old kids are telling everybody on TikTok that has money that we're not going to be able to make it to $70 again, which is what they think. Animal Kingdom, so good. I'm your father now, Clay. Crypto Rockets here, Dad. Are you in here? Dad, are you in here? We need to know. Never mind. I don't watch that. Kelly Slater show. I have no idea, JB. I have no idea. Clay has Nickelback locked in his basement like Buffalo Bill. No, there's a door in my basement. I don't have like no well or anything down there. Hey Clay, what's up, 12? How you doing? $425,000 a share. Say it, Jared. If it goes to $425,000 a share, I'll give you a free shirt. For free, man. For free. You don't even have to give me anything for it. You don't even have to pay shipping. If we go to $425,000 a share, it's a locked door, but it's a door, dude. Guys, doors. I don't understand the whole locked door thing. Can you really even lock a door? Do you understand what a door is? Like, first of all, I'd say more than 50% of the doors in all houses these days are hollow. They're like cardboard boxes. How do you lock a cardboard? If you really want to get through it, it's like a cardboard box. You could just, and you're through the door. Second of all, even if it's a solid wooden door, I would say, well, if it's a solid wood door, I hope the frames would too. But like these frames on these doors, man, they're like particle board. Even if it's a solid wood door, you're looking at a door jamb that's like this big. And what's that going to do? You can kick that thing. Easy. There's no such thing as a locked door. I'll go check out the show tonight and report back, Clay. JB, I need a report back, man. But I don't know if it's on every night. I really don't know. Is The Bachelor on every night? I don't understand anything about these shows. I don't really watch TV. So I don't understand anything about these shows. But apparently it comes on after The Bachelor. It puts the lotion in the basket or it gets the hose again. Yeah, that's what it does. You guys ask about my skincare routine. Nickelback puts the lotion on my skin. No, Nickelback doesn't do that. Nickelback, I love you. Free shirt. Pre-squeeze. Post-squeeze, Don. Post-squeeze. Clay's definitely Buffalo Bill. He thought about this. Did think about this, man. Think about the doors for a minute. All this talk about The Bachelor. Johan, you like The Bachelor, don't you? Clay, we're retracing back to 42 range. However, if you want to do that punch you just did again and slick that tall hair back, it will be green end of day. Balls in your court and neck beard. Yeah, man. The hair is getting pretty tall, guys. Look at this. I like that dude, that Paul dude from Tekken right now, except I don't have blonde hair. I've got dark hair. Look how tall this is. I really gotta cut my hair. Golly. Dude, we could do a sick Wolverine right now. That's standing up pretty good. You guys ready for this? Let's just go sick Wolverine. Are you ready? We got this. Yes. Natalie, this is for you. That's pretty legit Wolverine. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right. That's legit Wolverine. If anybody's got like fake claws they can put on me right now, AMC to Pluto. Whoo! Yes, that's what I'm talking. AMC to Pluto. We got the Wolverine going. Natalie, is the Kraken here? What? I don't know. Now I get some pencils for claws. I don't have any pencils. I got like one. I got one little marker over here. Somebody needs to superimpose some claws on. Put a lot of thought into the inability to lock doors, Clay. What are you plotting? No, man. You just in walls too. Think about walls, guys. All a wall of an exterior of a house is, unless it's a brick wall on the outside, you basically have a sheet of drywall and then a sheet of OSB as it. You go through the drywall and then you just go right through the OSB. Dude, you can't even really get locked in a house. That's Magneto, bro. No way, man. This is Wolverine all day. It looks like Wolverine's stepbrother. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. Wolverine's stepbrother is just as good. Clay, I have 160 available to use. Besides from AMC, what would you suggest? Paul. It depends, man. You looking for a long-term play? You looking for a safe play? What are you looking for? GameStop. Just buy a partial share of GameStop and you're going to be good. Clay is Wolverine. Yes, Adrian. Wolverine coming in. That Lindsay Lohan look. This is not a Lindsay Lohan look. Yeah, Sergeant Baloney. GameStop. Yes. 160. Just buy a partial share of GameStop and you're going to be doing good. All right. Hello from Germany. Just started my AMC journey just yesterday. Let's see what happens. Ken Turfendaki. Welcome. Welcome. Just started it yesterday. Glad you got in. For real. Got 1,250 shares, so maybe sell 50 now. Mangy. If you need to sell 50 now, you can sell 50 now. I don't know what your average price is or how long you're thinking, but I don't think that we're at the top, man. It's like they don't know. It's like they don't know that I'm live right now. After this wall talk and brick being the only safe option, I'm convinced that Lauren read you the Three Little Pigs last night to help you sleep. Yes, dude. Yes, you have to build your house out of bricks if you don't want it to be blown down. That is true. We went over the structural integrity of houses last night, and if you build it out of sticks, it's bad. If you build it out of straw, it's bad. If you build it out of bricks, you're good. Always build your house out of bricks. Camera issues. Yeah, dude, I use my Samsung. I use my phone as my camera, and whenever somebody group messages me, it blanks out the camera for some reason. I don't understand why. I'm sorry, man. I do not speak Ukrainian. I'm very sorry. I do not speak Ukrainian. You got me on that one, man. Russian or Ukrainian, I do not speak it. Oh, privet. Privet. Hello. Did I get it? Mr. Russian man? Dumb question, mate. I buy January about $2 and more in February at 5 and more at 8 and more in August at 32 and I need to sell some to pay stuff off. Am I paper hand? No, Mange. If you need to sell some to pay stuff off, that is not a paper hand. A paper hand is when you just you think it's over and you get out. I don't think that anybody should have so much invested into AMC that you can't pay your bills. So I think that's responsible if you sell some AMC and pay your bills as opposed to not paying your bills and then, losing your house because you didn't pay your bills. So no, Mangy, Manga, that is not being a paper hand. Clay, you said crayons. Crypto, I don't know if I said crayons or not. Clay, you read Russian. No, I cannot read Russian. Nah, Rocket, I was never invited. What? Invite him to the Discord. It's not my Discord, but you should be invited. Hi, man. What's up? Privet. I don't even know how to say anything other than that, but hello, Mr. Russian man. Same blow, we were literally talking about that last night. Same story, too. I don't even know what story we were talking about last night. Bonjour. is hello in Russian. Bonjour is not hello in Russian. Come on, comb your hair, put on a hat. The hair is combed now, man. We're all good. But what if AMC is your house? It's a tough question to answer, man. That's like a multi-dimensional question. What if AMC is my house? Gracias. Because I love you in Russian. It is not. Hello, Arthur and guys. What's up, Russian man? How you doing? I'm a smart American. Good deal, Sergeant. We are all smart Americans. Grands. Nice forehead. Thank you, TL. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you for the warm welcome of the Russian. Absolutely Russian, man. Is it Russian or is it Ukrainian? I need to know. Does Nickelback put lotion on your back? Yes, Nickelback puts the lotion on my back to make sure that I am nice and hydrated. Where's the money at? It's in the banana stand. The money is always in the banana stand. Greetings and salutations. Hello, TL. Greetings and salutations to you. He lives in a storage room at an AMC theater. Yes, that is exactly where I live. Clay, that's why you only see this one wall, guys. I'm in a storage room right now. Clay, since sticking the hair back, we've gone up 9 cents. Keep it up. However, when will I get a stream invite? I'm on vacation in Alaska right now, visiting family. I got stream time. Dude, what time is it in Alaska? You're up at like 8 a.m. watching this live stream in Alaska? Dude, go to sleep, man. Sleep in. Enjoy it. Clay bro, there isn't many left in the Discord, so it's probably safe to enter now. New people are up to Lisa and Lauren. We need to get more people. It's probably safe to enter. Where did Jamal go? Does anybody have access to Jamal? That dude said he was sick after his trip to Indonesia, and I wonder where Jamal went, man. Like, did he just get tired of hanging out with us? He can still listen, man. If Jamal sold his AMC, he can still hang out with us. It's all right. I want you to hang out and keep your AMC, but like Jamal, you're a good dude. We need you back. We need you back, Jamal. Thank you, Clay, bro, for always keeping it real. You're loved by millions. Nah, dude. Not loved by millions. Keep up the great job, buddy, and congratulations on your success. Access Maintenance 200, thank you very much. One day, we will be loved by millions. Right now, we are only loved by Brett. Claybro streams my alarm clock. Orange Folius, very nice. I'm glad you turned on your notifications on. He went to Jamal. Oh, Crypto Rocketeer, man, you're good with your dad jokes. He went to Jamal. I've been into a live stream today. Ronald, very good, man. Is this one of your first ones? Or one of the very few that you've been to? I'm with you lively. Missed it. I'm getting closer to 1,300 AMC shares again. Very nice, Sergeant Baloney. Stephanie, thank you very much for the super chat. Stephanie says, could apes holding just a tiny bit of their leftover shares, 2% or more, during the Motherwell short squeezes, cause a 6-figure moon landing? Stephanie. Possibly. So here's the way we need to look at it, okay? Hedge funds and apes doing it, yes. But we need more at this point because apes are not holding enough. I believe there's a lot of retail investors who are not apes, and there's clearly the institutions are not apes. It's going to take a lot more than just apes holding to do it. But as long as, yes, as long as 1 or 2 or 10% of those shorts out there don't get covered, as long as nobody's willing to sell, if there's a period of time where nobody's willing to sell their shares, we will rocket higher. And people are going to be tempted on the way up. I say it all the time. Whether institutions are tempted to double their money or triple their money and then get out, or retail investors try to get out at the volume weighted average price because that's the only thing that people talk about these days. There's a lot of different factors that are going to cause a lot of different people to sell. So if everybody does hold out, yes, we will see those numbers. But I don't know if just apes doing it is going to be enough. Unless apes eat up more of the shares, and then we get to that point, which is what I would love to see. I don't want institutions to make any money. I want to see you and I and people like us holding all of these shares to make all of the money possible on the short squeeze. Banana Man, he's the man and an OG. Not sure. Miss that, Clay, man. It's like red. It's red like a tourist with sunburn on a hot summer day in Hawaii. Matthew McConaughey. I would be a red tourist in Hawaii on a hot summer day, dude. I'm telling you, that would be me right now. In Russia, miners invest in Bitcoin. It will grow to 2025, 500% minimum. Very nice. So we got our Russian man in here. Good deal. Privet. How's my Russian? Is my Russian good? Russian man? Privet. Bro, 720p. Talking about my stream quality or what? What the heck was that, dude? You guys hear that? It's either a giant cricket or Nickelback is crying. You hear that? Is that a giant cricket or is Nickelback crying? That doesn't even sound like a normal cricket, though. I googled Nickelback and my computer crashed. That doesn't even sound like a normal cricket to me. What? What's going on? Click, we get technical analysis. Yeah, let's check this out. Let's see what we got going on right now with today's movement because we are falling through support, which I don't want to see. So let's move on to a 5-minute chart, see what we got going on here. Look, I'm still going to say this is a decent level of support we got on it. This dude is just ruthless, man. So this level right here, the previous low from earlier today. Let's move out, see if we got any lines from yesterday. All right, this is... Okay, I'm not trying to be like pessimistic or anything, but if we do fall below this level of support right here, we tested it back on the 24th, which was the day before yesterday. We tested it here on the run up during the day, and we tested it again once, twice, thrice. If we fall through it, dude, I don't understand what's going on with that cricket. That's kind of crazy. Okay, this is some sort of a downward trend that we're in since yesterday. If we fall through this level of support, it's not going to be good because we're looking at potentially falling all the way back down to this area down in here, which would be the $38 level of support. So this area is very significant, and we are hitting lower highs and lower lows as well over the last couple of... I don't understand what's going on with this cricket, guys. I promise you, it's either a cricket or a Nickelback. So yeah, dude, the downtrend that we've been in since peaking yesterday at the $48 range, we may see it continue. Hopefully we don't, and we do bounce off this orange line right here that we have as support. My gosh, it's a Texas-sized cricket. Adrian, it sounds like a Texas-sized cricket. It's crazy. It's Brett messing around. It might be, man. Hiding in AMC in your basement. Golly. It's mating season for crickets. Something going on here, man. Soon power hour, mate. Yes, it's Kenny G crying. Hopefully that cricket isn't indicative of oil-tipped date tonight. I don't know what that... Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? Is it crying or what? Oh my gosh. I kind of want to walk over, though, because it sounds like it's right there by the patio door. I kind of want to walk over and see if it's, like, in my house. But now he stopped. Why did he stop, though? You didn't get my first joke about crayons. That's who speak Ukrainian. That's who speak Ukrainian. Yes, gotcha, Crypto Rocketeer. Now I understand. It's mating season for Alicia. Yes, it is. Alicia, are you still in the chat? It is mating season for you. We need to know if you're still here. Guys, why are you mining in the USA? You have the opportunity to live as a person since childhood. Russian man. Yes, we do have the opportunity to live as a person since childhood. Not exactly sure what you have the opportunity to do over in Russia, but Bitcoin mining works better in Russia with your cold climate, from what I hear. It stops when it's threatened. That's really weird, man. I did want to go over there and see what was going on, though. That sounds like it's inside to me. There's no way that's coming through the patio. The patio door's closed. Chocolate-covered crickets for dinner? Dude, I would totally eat a chocolate-covered cricket for dinner, Natalie. You in? Alright, just give me two. I gotta walk over there. I gotta see. Because if this dude's in the house, he sounds huge. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Okay. Come on. Dude, just jump in my hand. Come on. Okay, I have no idea. How this guy got in here. But, yeah, we do have a Texas-sized cricket that is going to be joining us on the live stream today. Anybody that wanted to say, I hope he does not jump out of my hand, and then I lose this guy, but, can you see him? Can you see him? Maybe? Dude, just focus on the, there you go. Yeah. Texas-sized cricket. Should I put him outside? Or should we keep him? What do we do? I want to see him start chirping now. What do we do? Eat it. No, I'm not eating it. No. Clearly, I'm not going to eat this guy. I want to see him start chirping, though. Where you going, dude? Where you going? Where's he going to go? Okay, I'm going to go put him outside. I don't think he's going to chirp while I'm holding him. He wants to say hi to you guys. Look at that. He's saying hi. You see him saying hi? Yeah. He's waving his little, I almost said tentacles. He's waving his antennas at you guys. Okay, hello. He said hold. He said hold. Yes, he did. This dude, man. Come on. Look, there you go. He wants to go to the camera. He likes you. See? Dude, you can't go off there. Come on. Yep. He likes it. All right, we're just going to sit here and play with this guy for a minute. Maybe he'll start chirping and see what happens with AMC. Made cricket tacos. Never. I'll buy it for $200. No, you can't buy my cricket for $200. Never come back. Just like, no. It's just too hot outside for Chip Bro. That's all. Keep him. It's Chip Crick. It's Chip Crick, guys. We're going to keep him. Smash that thing. No, Mr. Pablo. Why would I smash the cricket? Aren't crickets good luck? Like, didn't Mulan teach you anything? Crickets are good luck, okay? That means the AMC is going to squeeze Maybe today. Take him back outside. Am cool Bacon-tron. We'll probably take him back outside here in a minute. But as for right now, I really want to see if he'll just start chirping while he's in my hand. I don't think he will. Crick Bro. It's Crick Bro. Crick Bro. In the room today. Very nice. Yes. He's like, oh no, I'm going to fall. No, you're not going to fall, dude. I got you, little buddy. I got you. AMC jump like a cricket. Let's get it. In China, they sell them in a bag like potato chips. Well, dude, I'm not... Listen, this is not a Chinese cricket. This is a cricket from Ohio. I am not going to eat him. I am not going to put him in a bag like a potato chip. And Crick Bro plus Clay Bro. Yeah. Exactly, Mr. Russian man. Trey has Titan, Andrew has Meatball, Clay has Cricket Bro. I did have Chip Bro, but he left me. Chip Bro moved holes and no longer wants to jump in my house. I don't know why. Ringing every paper hand out of AMC. That's what I like to hear, Jarrett. Eat the cricket. Sergeant, I will not eat the cricket. I am not doing that. I respect this guy way too much. Stop talking for about 30 seconds, then he'll chirp. I don't know if he was going to chirp while he's in my hand, though. I don't know if he would do that. How could you possibly know the immigration status of that dude? Who? The Russian dude? I don't know his immigration status, but it looks like Russian, doesn't it? You never seen Russian writing before? Ukrainian? Claybro really made you fall for the oops, wrong hole line. Yeah, man. Chipro, he moved into the wrong hole. Once you move holes, you never go back. Right, Brett? Because Chipro has never come back since he moved holes. Save Mr. Crickbo. I will. I will take him outside after in a minute here. You just said the cricket wasn't shiny. Oh, now I got it. That's true, man. That's true. I don't know the immigration status of this cricket, but I just didn't want him to get eaten. So that's why. I am from Russia, Sartov City. Very nice, Russian man. Put him inside your laptop. He might help it from crashing. I don't think he's going to do that. But our cricket's good luck, man. In Mulan, she had a cricket and a little dragon. And I thought the cricket was good luck. This is Richard Gere all over again. Okay. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. It's like going green. Trent. Yeah. Yeah. Poor thing, he's scared. Does he look that scared to you, though? Like, why does it just show my face? You think he's scared? He seems to be exploring very well. I don't know. Yes, in Egypt, they bring good luck. What about in Ohio? No, not at all. There you go, Adma. He's having a good day. Yes, good luck. Nice. Didn't Pinocchio have one? Yeah. Pinocchio had one. Brett's new motto. Once you get back, you never go back. That's a good motto. Once you get back, you never go back. So, Mr. Cricket. No, I will not sell the cricket. In Egypt, they bring plagues. Well, okay, that might be bad luck then. That's one. Oh, no, Sergeant. He's a beautiful cricket. Look at this guy. Oh, come on. He just wants some buddies. He just wants to have some fun. See? Yep. Oh, hello. Hello, all you beautiful AMC shareholders. Yes, how's your day going today? Where are you going? Dude, I'm pretty sure this cricket just pooped on me. Dude, crickets poop? Ah, dude. No, no, no. We're going to take it back outside now. Yeah, we're taking it back outside now. And we're going to wash our hands, because I'm pretty sure that you just pooped all over me. Yeah. Yeah, this dude just pooped all over me, guys. Look at that. No. Time to go. Time to go outside, Cricket. Time to go outside. Not happening. Okay, give me 2 seconds, guys. I gotta wash my hands, too. I gotta wash my hands. Yeah. Yep. He's going outside. I don't know how you got inside in the first place, dude, but... Alright, you guys gotta give me 2 seconds to wash my hands now. I don't know what that kid's thinking. Okay, we are back. Apparently we're going to have really good luck today because if you get pooped on by a cricket, it's the best thing that could ever possibly happen to you. Literally hearing crickets and gets doesn't mean it was a bad live stream. No, it was definitely a good live stream today, and I didn't even think that bugs did that, man. I really didn't even think. Crypto, of course that's a lot of water, man. You just get pooped on, you got to wash it off. Golly, boom. Google says killing will bring bad luck, so it's not my opinion. But Google, no, dude, I didn't kill him. I put him outside on the leaf, and I actually heard some other crickets out there. So he might be back with his buddies. Minute 27 seconds, almost the same time to. Interesting. Jarrett is on it with the stopwatch. Very nice, Jarrett. No, no, no. Yes, we didn't. We put him back outside. He's on a leaf out there. When the Fed speaks, market turns red. The only green I have is my GME. Don't we just love when the Fed speaks? Don't they just ruin everything? Bugs don't poop. Jared, do you have, like, I don't study bugs. I don't watch them. Clearly that one did. All over me. Like, why was it so big? Singing, bring good luck. Also told by Google. Very nice. Almost power hour. How much time do we have left on this battery? Are we going to be able to watch Power Hour? Ooh, we're definitely not going to make it all the way through Power Hour. I can tell you that right now. We're not going to make it all the way through Power Hour today. We've seen 38. No! 38. We don't want 38. We don't want to go below 40. Everyone poops. Don't you guys know the book? No, I don't know that book. I never read a book in my life. Claybro, what is your city in the USA? Where do good and kind people live? Good and kind people live in Ohio. The state of Ohio is a very good place to find good and kind people. Ranks #1 on good and kindness scale. Think about it. I'm from Ohio. Natalie's from Ohio. Anybody else from Ohio in here? You're a good and kind person, right? Cricket Nation brought the red to the Ape Nation. No, it wasn't Cricket Nation's fault. Cricket Nation is just, they were confused as to why he was inside in the first place. Yes, this is true. This is true, Natalie. Ohio has the kindest and the nicest people. Imagine taking a boat all the way from China as a cricket, going to Ohio, getting your 5 minutes of fame on some sexy dude's stream, and then pooping yourself out of excitement. Dude's living his best life. That dude is living his best life, man. That little Chinese cricket came on here, he was so excited he couldn't keep it in, man. I don't know where Sam comes up with this stuff. And then you're released into his Disney princess's backyard where chipmunks hang out with him and blue jays hang his laundry on the line. Yes, Brett. I have yet to train the blue jays. I have yet to train the blue jays to hang anything anywhere. But I will tell you, I should post a picture. Last spring, so you guys don't even know about the little bunny rabbits. The bunny rabbits didn't make it. I've had 2 bunny rabbits that hung out with me for a little while, but they were both in bad shape. They didn't make it. Groundhogs. I've played with some baby groundhogs before. They're pretty cool, and I do have a picture of that I could probably post on Twitter. And then bats. I'm gonna tell you right now, bats are not nice. There was a bat in my house, and I saved his life. I took him outside. I put him in a tree, and then I'm sitting there looking at him, thinking like, okay, I could be friends with this guy. Nah, he didn't want nothing, man. He looks at me and he hisses. Dude, I could have bopped that bat on the head for hissing at me. He was so small, and he's like, don't be a friend with a bat. I'm back in. Oh, geez, Oil Tipped is back in. Oil Tipped is back in. We got to know if this dude is going to bounce here or not. 41 flat. Where'd you get in, Oil Tipped? We got to watch it. Good rule of thumb. If it eats, it poops. Brett, that is a good rule of thumb. But do crickets eat? I don't even know. 41-31. Let's watch it. 41-31. We got to bounce, baby. Bounce. All right, 41-31. Let's get it and get some money. Clay asked who else lives in Ohio, so I said Nick F. Yeah, Nick F does live in Ohio. Are there any other people in here that live in Ohio? Bats are whack. Bats are whack, dude. He did not want to be my friend at all. Thanks for covering for me. Yes, does Michigan count? Banana Man, Michigan does not count as Ohio, dude. Boom boom candles. We need some of them. Clay, what's your house made of? I know it isn't bricks. If you had a brick house, maybe all these animals wouldn't be able to break in. It's crazy, dude. It must be made out of sticks, I guess. Like, sticks, sounds like. Natalie Hess also lives in Ohio. Nice! Natalie, are you in here right now? Or are we just naming everybody that lives in Ohio? Let's see. TP, no, there's not. That's why when I see people eating at a restaurant, I stare at them sternly and yell poop. Oh my god. Yes, Michigan equals Ohio. Oh, cognitive. If Michigan equals Ohio, then sure. Ebony also lives in Ohio. Ebony does live in Ohio. Yes. Danger. What about Danger? What about, there's a Squishy Steve. Squishy Steve. What about, oh man, Uncle Megan or something. I think Uncle Megan said he lived in Ohio. There's several people that live in Ohio here, and I don't understand why. I'm ashamed, but I don't know anything about Ohio. Guy? Ohio? Ohio equals Ohio. Michigan equals Sohio. Interesting. Good to know what you guys think about the Ohio if you don't live here. Clay, you often talk about lower volume, but now when the volume is lower, we're getting banged in every hole. No, we are not, man. No, we are not. It's okay. I know it is so difficult when we have low volume days. I still think this is high volume right here. 100 million shares being traded today. I still think 100 million shares is high volume on the day. So, technically, this is high volume, and we've got a lower price. Sergeant Maloney, no, that would be our southern neighbor, Kentucky. I didn't see what, Sergeant. Do Ohioans marry cousins? No, man. I'll be honest, if I had a waiter at a restaurant stare at me from across the room while I was eating and randomly yell poop, and they're getting more than a 20% tip, that's for sure. Nice, Sam, nice. Anybody in the restaurant industry, make sure to keep that in mind. Probably people up with all these estates being said and stuff. What does it look like? I'm a geometry expert? Yes, dude, you are definitely a geometry expert with all these states being mentioned right now. Idaho! Nice, Rocket. Idaho is a good state. Yes, it is. Paris equals Magic Town. Hey, can you check SPRT and check the short percentage? Trade to travel. No, I do not have Ortex data, so I cannot check it. But I did think that they said short interest on SPRT was around 70% yesterday. So that is old news, but I don't have Ortex data, man, so I can't check that out. Horse chestnut state. What is a horse chestnut state? How soon do you think we'll see 50? I was hoping we'd see it today, but apparently we're not going to see it today. Can't wait until tomorrow. Forget the Asians. I'm buying more AMC. Good deal, Mr. Quagmire. Good deal. You mean geography, Sam Blow. No, I think he meant to say geometry. Nah, pretty sure I nailed it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he meant to say geometry. No, Ohio is a rectangle. Is it not? No, man. It's not a rectangle. It's got a little squiggle at the bottom. It's a rectangle with a little squiggle in the bottom and a chunk bit out of the top. No, he meant he meant geometry. More like a heart. Oh, yes, it's definitely more like a heart. MQ, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. Didn't see your name. Don't know when you subscribed, but I appreciate it. An hour ago. Nobody subscribed to the channel in the last hour. Rectangles. Now we're talking geography. Yes. I condemn. Panarin. Sorry, guys. Me too, man. I don't even know what that is. Is that English? Quagmire, can you help tear up my carpet? What? What do we got going on? Can you check AMC's RSI? Must be very oversold. It's probably very oversold on a 1-minute chart. I'd agree with that one. If we throw the RSI up here right now, oh yeah, we're definitely oversold, and we've been oversold all afternoon on AMC. Talking about the RSI. Really all afternoon. Down here at 30, we are down at 2460 at the moment. So it is definitely an oversold territory. And look, guys, it's stayed there all afternoon. I know everybody always says it's got to cool off or it's got to bounce after that. Shoot. We've been doing nothing but going down all afternoon. And RSI is not saving us. Technically, it's got a little bit of a bounce right here, but on a tiny little green candle, I don't know if that's going to be... Well, let's watch that for a minute. We can keep RSI on there. Let's keep RSI on there and see if it runs up. Other ape YouTubers pumping other stocks is not helping. I would agree with that one. AMC about to go back in the 30s again and consolidate there for a few more months. This trend is getting old. Dude, I don't think it's going to consolidate in the 30s for a few more months. But if we do bust below 40, we're going to be in the 30s. Hard bounce before the close today. Let's get it! Nothing but going down. Sounds like my prom date with my best friend. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugarwood going down, swinging. Hey, can you check SPRT? Check the short trade, dude. I just said that, man. Oh, I don't have Vortex data, so I can't check the short interest. Yesterday it was 73%. I did see that on Twitter, but I don't have the short interest on SPRT. Can't win them all. Out on a stop loss. Can't win them all. It is all right to get out on a stop loss. It's better than losing your entire premium by letting it expire out of the money tomorrow. Getting hammered right now. Yes, it is going down right now. Back to the 30s for another year. Clockwork. We are not going to the 30s for another year. Just subscribe, Clay. Hey, can you check this SPRT and check the short? Oh, God. Trade. I appreciate the fact that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for that, man. But I just want to let you know, I do not have Ortex data. So I cannot check the Ortex data on AMC or any other stock for that matter. Yesterday, the short interest on SPRT was roughly 70%. So it's probably somewhere around that today. Bagging it for... Oil tipped is back in at 40.70. Gets out on a stop loss, gets back in because... he needs to buy those pork chops tonight. 40.70. Oil tipped. Shouldn't you be going to the store to get some mozzarella sticks right now? I feel like you should be going to get some mozzarella sticks. Clay, is there any crypto I can scalp to make money for AMC? Yeah, PDP. I'm going to be honest, man. Almost all of them. Almost all of them. You could probably do pretty well scalping. I know Cardano is really good. It's got a pullback recently, and that's been on a major run. Clearly, if you want to scalp Dogecoin, you can. I don't know if it's one of the better ones to do that with, but Yeah, dude, all day long. Scalp crypto all day long. I'm on with that. Team nobody knows clockwork. Don't fight the vigilante. That's bad news. That was short-lived. Mad Medic. What was short-lived, man? The green candle. Well, there goes our 20% gain. Antics. We're still up, man. We're still up. We were at 30. We went from like 35 to 48. We're still doing good. Can you explain igniter candles? No, I've never heard the term igniter candle before. I've never heard that term. What's up, Clay, bro? Arcraz, how you doing, man? Out at 41.78. You just got in, man. You just got in. 12-cent gain. Nice, dude. One candle, 12-cent gain. Don't fight me. Yes, don't fight anybody. Come on now. Here comes the green. Sold too early. Whatever. He still made some money, right? Vigilante, you need to go get some mozzarella sticks and prepare for your date tonight. How are you not preparing for this already? You need to fry up some bacon so that you can use the grease. Okay. Listen, even if she doesn't want to eat the mozzarella sticks, think about the candlelit dinner. If you've got like an old, I don't know, can of soup or whatever that you're going to pour your bacon grease in, don't pour it down the drain. I know you said you don't care about the apartment, but dude, also grab like a can of Campbell's soup or something and just make some soup now because you got to be a little bit hungry and you don't want to be super hungry and hangry when she comes over. So make that can of soup, and then when you're done with the bacon grease, whatever's left over, pour it in the can, dude, and imagine that candlelit dinner eating those pork chops and mozzarella sticks with that bacon candle. That's going to be amazing. I'm going to have 15 minutes after I get home until she gets to my place. Oil. You're at work? You're this active in the chat right now and you've been at work all day? Clay, bro, you need to shave to see the green. No, I can't shave. I can't shave. No shave till squeeze. Brett, Clay will let us. No, Mr. Levitt, it's not going to happen. Dang, you remember I poured the bacon grease down the drain? That was weeks ago. I feel like he cares. Dude, listen, yes. What do you mean I remember? Of course I remember all of this stuff that you guys say. Perks of being the boss. Nice, oil tipped. Nice. Of course I remember you guys. How are you so fast? In and out, done quicker than the 40-year-old Alicia is meeting tonight? Oh, no. Alicia's not even in here and we're still talking about her. Clay, dye your beard green. I've never dyed any of my hair. I would be afraid to dye it green. Squeeze in our dream. Yes, we should squeeze in our dream. The overall market is down. And AMC is also down right now. When did you stop shaving? I trimmed it up I trimmed this up like 2 days ago. But I don't even remember now. Same below, the girls call me the Flash. Nice, oil tipped. Clay, how are you able to grow a beard on your neck? I'm jealous, bro. What do you mean, man? Look, you can even see it. Like, do you see how it's just really spotty down here, but I mean, you can see that it just goes all the way down, dude. Got that Austin Powers hair, man. Let's make a deal. You don't shave ever if it hits 10,000. Deal? $100,000 a share. I don't ever shave. 100,000 a share. I don't ever shave. $100,000 a share. Because I don't know if we'll make it. There's a chance we don't make that. Oil tip says no. Oh, man. 125,000 a share. Oil tip says 125,000 a share. He says 125,000 a share. Okay, 125 because he wants to see me shaven, but he also wants to hit 100,000 a share. 125,000 a share. I don't ever shave for the rest of my life. You guys heard it here. You guys heard it here. You just don't want to shave, Clay. Dude, there's a part of me that doesn't want to shave. 100, I want to shave too. Matthew McConaughey says 100,000, I won't shave either. Could you imagine if everybody knew that you were an AMC ape 10 years from now, 15 years from now, because we hit $100,000 a share and none of us shaved? We just stopped shaving. Like, that was the dead giveaway. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that guy's a multi-millionaire, but he doesn't shave. Ape. 125,000. All right, good deal. We're in the 125,000 club. None of us shave if AMC squeezes to $125,000 a share. That is how we recognize each other. Natalie's like, I don't like the sound of this. Natalie, are you in? Are you in, Natalie? 125,000, we don't shave at all. Thanks, Martin. Is it a good or bad for us? I missed what Martin had to say, man. Imagine how hairy. Guys are nuts, man. Bearded coat. Sergeant, what do you mean, man? What's wrong with that? Butt chins are nice, dude. Adma is in. She says 125,000 a share. None of us shave for the rest of our lives. Nice beard, Abe. We'll take on a whole new meaning as a compliment. Yes, it would, Neo Wolf. We're in. 125,000. None of us shave. Sweet Swiden okay is in. Good deal. Clay with ZZ Top beard. My life be completed. Giggity. Nice, Quagmire. Oh, man. Mutu's mad. Don't be mad, Mutu. Martin said it's sale day. It is a sale day. Clay, his YouTube channel is his job. I work for him, too, and he fired me for 10 seconds last night. Right, oil tipped? I timed him out, and he took my mod away. I don't even know what we're talking about right now, but yes. He said, you guys are nuts after talking about shaving. Punny? Everyone talking about 10,000, 100,000 a share. I'm still waiting for 100. Me too, man. Me too. That's why I'm willing to say that I will never shave again if we go to 125,000. Oh, man. Antics is nuts, dude. Oh, my gosh. Green Power, you can still shave. Yes. You can do that. Not your face. We're not going to be recognizing each other by anything other than the beards on our face. I mean, how close are we going to be post-squeeze, guys? But I get no one knows when the squeeze will happen, but with everything that needs to happen, if you could, how close do you think we are before the squeeze comes? I don't think we're that close, man. Unless we get a big shift in mentality with people holding AMC, I don't think we're that close. I think there's a lot of people out there who are still day trading. I think there's a lot of people out there who still haven't heard about a short squeeze, and I think there's a lot of people out there who still just want to make a couple bucks watching AMC double in price. And once they realize that this has so much more potential than that, that's when we squeeze, when everybody's on board. Squatter, interesting. Shave your head. I can't shave my head, dude. We already went over this. Can we shave our eyebrows? No, we're not shaving our eyebrows. Keith, we already went over what it would look like a shaved head. Go look at my Twitter. It's bad news, dude. 50,000 a share. I won't shave my, frost the tips. Yes, let's go big Weeble, little Clay. Big Weeble, little Clay. Oh my gosh. Natalie, how's your day going? I feel like my phone is going to die soon. So I just, Natalie, Lauren, I want to know how you guys are doing. Actually, Lauren, did your client take your phone or something? What's Grace got going on over there that she's not letting you talk in the chat right now? Am I the only girl in here? Lauren, or Natalie, I feel like you may be because it's getting a little weird. Oh, I'm aware of the potential it has, Mr. Clay. Good deal, Nikki89. Good deal. Yes, Grace, did you steal Lauren's phone? The eyebrow challenge. What is the eyebrow challenge? Shave your eyebrows? So it doesn't mean to a realistic point if we have under 100 shares that it's not helping too much. No, Chris, I don't think to that, man, because I would rather see a person hold 50 shares or 10 shares that is unwilling to sell those shares than somebody come in with 10,000 shares that wants to make a 20% gain and get out. I would rather see the guy holding 10 shares willing to hold 10 shares. Seen Harold Kumar? It's like that. I don't know if I saw. Yeah, I did see two. And J-Man, thank you for the super chat, J-Man. He says, thank you much, J-Man, for the super sticker. Absolutely, I can't put the dollar signs in my eyes, but if you guys want to super chat, or I don't know, what is it? Photoshop them in there. Appreciate it. Woo! Thank goodness. Nikki89 is in here. Good. I'm a girl. I just signed in. Good deal, Nikki89. It's crazy with the two girls in here and where we're going with this talk. I don't know about this. I thought we were swinging next weekend. Maybe you are. Swinging next weekend. Should this drop concern us? No, it does not concern me. Why is Dick never here? We all love Dick. We all do love Dick in here, Crypto. I don't know why Dick never comes in. And Nikki Piazza. Invite Dick to the chat, please. We need to meet him. I have 10 shares. Times 100. John, very nice. Natalie. Natalie, how is your day going? Is it okay? I feel like, we've been here for quite some time, and we're going to be signing off soon because the phone's going to die, but I want to know how your day's going. I'm going to buy more tomorrow. Good deal, Keith. Clay, I hold over 5,500 shares. Maybe. That's why I'm mad. Moo 2! Yeah. I think the more shares, the more emotional you would get, right? More shares, more emotional. But, hey, man, you're holding for a short squeeze. So, the day-to-day action is just there. Natalie's day is also on a downtrend. No, Natalie. I know, Levitz, but it's good, right? Keys in the bowl, guys. We're all swinging tonight. No, run. I'm back, Clay. Surprised your battery lasted this long. Is this a new stream? Jonah Jesus, it's the same stream, but it's going to be ending soon because we're down below 20% battery. It's good, hot. Just been working and listening to you guys chat about guy things. We're not chatting about guy things. We're just chatting about high prices for AMC stock. That's all we got going on. Okay. 3:30. We're going to end the stream at 3:30. We're not going to be able to make it till the close today. We're going to end the stream at 3:30. We've got 16% battery, so we're just going to call it in 9 minutes. So if you've got something very important that you want to say, make sure to get it out in the next 9 minutes. Oh my God, you guys are crazy. A man's world. It's only 2:22 here. You didn't specify a time zone. Brett, 3:30 Eastern time. 8 minutes from now is when we will be ending the stream. What's happening, Marky? Well, currently we're trading sideways, but we've had a nice decline today, haven't we? We've had a nice decline following this downward trend since yesterday's high. Oh, goodness. Come on, man. Bounce off this $40 level and go to the upside, please. That is what we want to see. RSI is getting ripped on an hourly chart. Goodness gracious. Yeah, RSI is definitely getting ripped on a daily chart. Or hourly chart. My bad. Why did I say that twice? I don't know why I said that twice. Nikki, what? That's what I said to her. I don't know. Oh no, I came in here too late. You never come in too late. It's alright, Nikki. We just, the battery is going to end, and we're going to have to save the phone for the video tonight. And then we'll be back tomorrow. Don't worry. Before you go, I want to say AMC rocks. Mr. Pina Colada, AMC does rock. My cat's name is Dick. Well, cool stuff. Welcome to your cat. Do we need to be above 41? Reed, we don't need to be above 41, but I want to be above 41. Hey, Clay. Donna Dross, how you doing? Steve Carell, very nice. Jarrett, I can't really read that, so it's kind of difficult. Clay, if you have time, answer one of my Twitter questions, please. Doesn't have to be all. Chris, I'll check it out, man, for sure. Last time, the same behavior was seen, and we ripped to 70. Any chance of this tomorrow? Vasteel, they're going to try very hard to keep the price down below the options expiries tomorrow. But, yeah, there's always a chance you rip up to 70, man. But I don't think it's going to be as easy as the first time around, simply because of the levels of resistance that we have out here. We got to go back through 48. We got to go back through 55. We got to go back through 60. It's not going to be as easy to rip up. When we did here, there was nothing in the way. When we ripped up here, there was nothing in the way stopping us. So if we rip up here, we got 48. We've got 55. We've got 60. We've got a long way to go if we rip from now. So not going to be as easy, but we can absolutely do it. Doing great. Donna, good deal. I think with T+2 hitting tomorrow, we have a good run. Possibly test 52. Well, dude, if we test 52 to 55 tomorrow, that's going to be very nice. I really just want to see us break through this 48 level. It's giving us so much trouble. My models are doing work. Wave 4 in action. Nice oil tipped. Wave 4. Let's do it. Don't forget to feed Nickelback in your well. Banana Man. Good advice. Nickelback needs to eat as well. Wave 5 on the horizon. Effect. Citadel moving to China. Affect anything. I doubt it, Reed. I doubt it. I didn't see that Citadel was moving to China. My trouser. Oh my god. Antics. What? It's a bad place to keep a snake. How many contracts need to be closed tomorrow? TP. I don't have the options numbers, but I don't... clearly, if we close above 41, above 45, above 50, like above these levels, we're going to have more contracts expiring in the money than we currently have. But I don't know the numbers on them right now. Clay, Nickelback also boosts. Make sure you're prepared for that. I will not be letting Nickelback crawl all over my hand, Brett. I was not prepared for that. I was not prepared at all. 4, 3, 2. Where's the 1, Neo Wolf? Thanks, man. Have a great day. Reed, hang out with us a little longer, dude. You too have a great day. But we're going to be leaving in 4 minutes. So hang out with us for 4 minutes. Did we at least get 200 likes on the live stream today? Citadel has a giant bowl of crickets in their boardroom. Ew, dude. Why would they do that? But at least when they poop, it gets an inexplicable platinum. And no, man. Nickelback has good music, and you know they do. Hey, Clay, have a great evening. I have to get going. See you soon. Bye, everyone. See you soon, Natalie. See you soon. We'll just leave it at that. See you soon. 230. 230 likes. Nini Waka, the first thing she says in here is 230. Thank you very much. Nick F, thank you very much. Nini Waka, up to 237. Let's just go 300 before we end the live stream, guys. Thank you. Do you and Nickelback cuddle? Only when it's cold. So, yes. Natalie, have a good evening. And thank you for hanging out with us all afternoon today. That's not how Natalie talks. Who has you? I don't know. Who has you, man? I don't know. Nikki 89, I'm so jealous. Of what? What did Nikki... Click the like. I didn't even see what Nikki said. What is Nickelback? What do you mean, what is Nickelback? You know what Nickelback is. Come on. Clay, always good to join your live stream. Everybody have a good one. Avery, thank you very much. Everybody who did join the live stream today, thank you guys for hanging out. Got here just in time to get you one more like. Rhode Island, thank you very much. I appreciate that. They call him Nickelback because he shaves and oils his back. Think about it. Think about it. Don't think about it. Makes more sense if you don't think about it. I'll have her. A reach is out hand chivalrously. No, man. I'll have her. Come on. Leave Natalie alone. I don't know what we're talking about. I'm joking. Oh, thank goodness, Nikki. Thank goodness. Nickelback it's the best ever. They're also being held captive by their only fan, Clay. What do you mean their only fan? I should start an OnlyFans for Nickelback? Is that what you're saying? Ciao, Clay. Até amanhã. Até amanhã, Adma. But make sure you watch my video. Por favor. Assiste vídeo hoje à noite. Adma's from... But Adma, you've lived in the United States for a long time, right? How long? Did you say like a really long time? Like 30 years or something? I think you've lived here forever. Until the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I'm going to be honest, I'm downloading some Nickelback after the stream to listen to. No shame. Good deal, man. Be honest with us. For sure, I will. Yes! Thank you, Adma. I appreciate that. Look at this photograph. Nickelback's OnlyFans. Yes, dude. I'm on it. After the stream, I'm creating a Nickelback OnlyFans. It's going to be a good one. You guys are going to want to subscribe. Yes, I do. 20 years. I knew it. I knew it was a long time. 20 years, not 30. I used to like Nickelback until I found out. John, I like Nickelback. What are you talking about, man? Just imagine when we start getting into big money and the chart is going up and down. It will be crazy, Jason. It is going to be very crazy, man. your computer will blow up. No, it won't. Guys, it is time to end the stream. We've got like 12% battery on the phone. We've been here for 3.5 hours. We're going to get off. We're going to watch AMC bounce into the close. It's going to be a power half hour. I'm going to like it. You're going to like it. It's going to be very good. And get your name out in the chat right now. If you want a shout out, make sure to click all of the links in the description below, especially Weeble. Sign up for that if you don't have an account. What else we got? Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram if you want to follow me there. Grocery store in 30 minutes. Nice oil tipped. Grocery store in 30 minutes, man. Good luck. Grab some mozzarella sticks and a pack of bacon. Have a good rest of your day. You too, Nini Waka. Thank you very much. Riptide Redemption, oil tipped. Good luck tonight, man. Don't forget to make it a live stream, okay? We need to see this. Riptide Redemption, TP, A. Reed, Donna, Banana Man, Jason, Antics the Legend, Neo Wolf, Nini Waka, John, PD Pete. See you later. Donna, Reed, Nini Waka. What if I'm holding my shares in Cash App? Nothing wrong with that, Reed. Nothing wrong with that. Matthew McConaughey, breakfast after close. Oh my gosh, Matthew McConaughey. It is extremely early over there in Hawaii right now. Wow. Red I Am 2, Neo Wolf. Rhode Island, have a good evening. Grace and Lauren, if you guys are still listening, shout out to you guys. Thank you very much for making me part of the lovely Lauren Lash experience. And, yeah, subscribe to the channel, Grace. Make sure to do it. You're going to have a good time in here. You're in the best hands in the United Kingdom. But you already know this. So, you tweeted me. Good deal. I'll check it out on Twitter. Nikki, shout out to you as well. Crypto Rocketeer, have a good evening. And if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time. AMC Trapper showing up right at the end to say peace. AMC Trapper, man. Peace out to you. Enjoy your evening, man. Thomas, have a good night. Nikki, see you later. Now, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.